Hello everyone, my name is Balasagar and I am professional WordPress web designer. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a powerful real estate website like Zillow.com, Magic Bricks, 99 acres and housing.com using WordPress website. This is not just a normal website, it is a complete real estate marketplace where here you can see, let me open the agent profile. Here you can see this is the agent's profile where agents can list their properties. Okay, and let me select this agency's profile, and here these are the agencies where agencies also can list their properties in this real estate website. And here you can see in the home page, buyers can search their property listing, their status and bedrooms they need, and the agencies can manage their entire property portfolio online. And the best part is you can build this entire professional real estate website without writing a single line of code. In this tutorial, we will use one of the most popular real estate WordPress theme called Houzez, which is used by thousands of real estate companies worldwide. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to build a fully functional real estate portal for your own business or even for your clients. Before we start building the website, let me quickly show you what we are going to create in this tutorial. At the top of the website, we have the main header navigation section. In this header, we can see the website logo on the left side, which represents the branding of the real estate company. In the center, we have the main navigation menu where users can easily navigate to different pages such as home page, about page, properties, property type, realtor pages like agencies and agent, other pages like compare property, membership info, packages, favorite search, favorite properties, insights, contact page. This helps visitors quickly access important sections of the website. On the right side of the header, here you can see we have a create listing button where this is a very powerful feature because it allows users, property sellers, real estate agencies to submit their property listing directly on the website. This website works not only as a real estate website but also as a real estate marketplace platform. And also we are having my profile section where a user can go to their user dashboard. If I click on this dashboard option, and this is a user profile dashboard, and here if I click on this my profile option, user can redirect to their profile section dashboard. The next section is the hero section, which is the most important section of any real estate website. Here we have a powerful headline, find your perfect property today. This section immediately tells visitors what the website is about. Next, we have a advanced property search bar. This search system allows users to search property based on multiple filters such as keyword search, property types, all status like buy or rent. They can select their bedrooms, they can select their bathrooms, they can select the minimum price, minimum area, maximum area. This advanced search feature helps users quickly find the right property without browsing the entire website. This type of search bar functionality is commonly used in large real estate platforms like Zillow.com, 99 acres, Magic Bricks and housing.com. Here you can see on the right side, we also have included a modern 3D property illustration which makes the website look premium and visually appealing. Below the hero section, we have the company statistics section. This section displays the achievements of the real estate company. Here we can see some key statistics such as 100% satisfied clients, 650 plus properties sold, 30 plus country, sent cities served, 10 years of experience. These statistics helps build trust and credibility with visitors. When potential buyers or sellers visit the website, they can instantly see the company's experience and performance. Next, we have a get a personalized property recommendation section. This section helps user to get custom property suggestions based on their needs. On the right side, we have a consultation form where users can enter details such as name, phone number, email ID, property requirements. After submitting this form, the real estate team can contact the user and provide a personalized property recommendations. This section is very useful for generating real estate leads. Now we come to the featured property section. This section displays highlighted property listings available for sale or rent. Each property card includes important information such as property image, property price, property type, property status, rent or for sale, bedrooms and bathrooms, and the property size. Users can click on this any property card to view the complete details about the property details page. This section helps visitors explore the latest and modern popular properties available on the website. If I go back, here you can see at the bottom we are having like load more button which allows users to explore more listings. Next we have the get your free home valuation today section. This features allows property owners to request a property valuation service, such as users can enter their address details, city, zip code, first name, last name, email ID, and their contact information. Once they submit the form, the real estate agency can analyze the property and provide an estimated market value. This feature helps generate sellers leads for their business. And next, this section explains why customers should choose real estate company services. Here we have highlighted company strengths, including like smart property management, expert buying and selling support, and all these features. Each feature is represented with a clean icon and short description, making the information easy to understand. Next we have meet our expert professional real estate agents section. This section showcases the team of real estate professionals working with this company. Each agent profile includes agent photo, agent name, job title, short description, and contact information. This helps visitors build trust with real estate team and contact the right agency for property assistance. Below this we have a explore properties by category section. This section allows users to browse properties based on different categories such as apartments, office, shop, studio, and villa. This helps users quickly explore properties based on their specific needs or preferences. Below that we have different real estate properties in different countries or cities. This section allows users to browse properties based on their different countries or cities or areas. Here you can see such as New York, India, Hyderabad, Delhi, etc. This helps users quickly explore different properties based on their specific locations and their needs. And next we have client testimonial section. Here previous customers share their experience working with the real estate company. Testimonials help improve trust and credibility because visitors can see real feedback from satisfied clients. This section plays an important role in increasing conversion rates. And next we can display the company's logos like partner companies and brands. This could be like real estate partners, construction companies, or property developers, investment firms. Showing partner logos helps strengthen the company's professional reputation. Finally, we have the website footer section. The footer includes the important information such as quick navigation links, contact information, address, social media links, corporate information. This section allows users to easily find important details and stay connected with the company. So this is a complete overview of our modern real estate website homepage. This website includes all the essential features required for a professional real estate business, including advanced property searching, property listing, lead generation forms, agent profiles, property categories, testimonials, and real estate CRM integration. Here you can see if I visit the website in incognito tab, the users can click on this profile section and they can register as a they can give their username, email ID, password. They can register as an agent or agency, owner or buyer or seller. After registering to the website, they can click on this create listing button. This website allows users to submit their properties directly from the front end. So anyone can visit your website and create a listing. For example, real estate agents, property sellers, buyers, and property owners. They can simply click on create listing. They just need to fill these options like property title, content. They can select the property type like office or shop or residential. They can select the status for rent or for sale. They can select the labels, open house or sold. They can select their rent or sale price properties. They can upload their images. And once they submit the property will automatically appear on your website. The best part is users do not need WordPress admin access because everything happens through the front-end dashboard, making your website much more secure. Here you can see if I come to backend, if I select this real estate option under real estate, we can also create packages like you can monetize your real estate website by creating these membership options like free membership and premium membership. You can monetize your website in different ways like for free or through paid membership plans, or you can also charge for like feature listing, premium property placement, and property advertising. Here you can see I have logged in by using the user account, and let me go to this dashboard option. Here you can see if I select this membership option, here I have selected the membership as premium membership. If anyone takes a premium membership plan, they can upload the listings up to like 30 listings. We can give them like 5 future listings on our homepage. They can choose like yearly plan or monthly plan as per their requirements. Okay, this Houzez theme includes a built-in membership system that allows users to create a subscription packages for agent and agencies. So your website can generate revenue automatically. Here you can see I have logged into this website as a real estate agent. Okay, and this is another powerful feature of this website is a front-end dashboard where users can register on your website. They get access to their own dashboard, and from here they can add new properties. They can click on this create listing option and they can add new properties. If I visit the website from front end and this is a front end, they can click on this create listing option. They can start creating the listing, and here you can see if I click on this properties, they can edit their submitted listing by clicking on this edit option, edit an existing listing. Okay, they can view the property statistics. If I go to this dashboard option, they can view the total properties, published properties, pending properties, expired properties. Okay, they can manage their own profile. If I click on this my profile option, they can enter their username, they can change their email ID, and they can add all the details like their profile image, okay, their social media links and all. They can change their password also. They can change their account role from agent to agency or owner or buyer or seller as per their requirement. They can also track leads. They can also track deals they have made. They can track the inquiries. Let me open this dashboard in by using the main admin. So here you can see for every real estate agent or agencies, they can see view the dashboard from here. If I click on this dashboard option, they can view the total properties they have submitted, their published properties, their pending properties, their expired properties, total leads they got, total inquiries like total leads. They can see their activities in the website. They can see the insights of their website from here, like last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 30 days. They can see the deals they got. They can see the leads they got. They can see the inquiries they got from the website for their properties. They can check the properties, number of properties they have uploaded over here. They can create their listing and the favorite properties they have saved for favorites, and they can search for saved searches they have done, and they can view their invoices when their properties have been sold and they are brought by the customers. Everything can be done without accessing the WordPress admin dashboard. Here you can see this is a WordPress admin dashboard and this is a front-end dashboard. Everything can be done without accessing the WordPress backend. This makes the system easy to use even for non-technical users. And one of the most advanced feature included in this Houzez theme is the built-in CRM systems, where CRM means customer relationship management, where they can manage their leads, inquiries, they can track their property inquiries, they can monitor their deals, okay, follow up with potential buyers. Whenever someone contacts an agent about a property, the inquiry gets saved in this CRM system. So agents can then contact the lead and track conversations and manage their leads. This makes website a complete real estate business management system. Another important feature of any real estate website is property search. This theme includes a powerful advanced search builder. Here you can see users can search, filter the properties based on their like types, okay, based on the type, based on the status, based on bedrooms and bathrooms. They can click on this search option. Here we are having like different if I select this with map with off map option, and this is a users can filter properties based on the location also. Here you can see they can select the cities. Like if I select this Chicago option, and it will show all the properties that are available in the Chicago, and they can select the property type. Okay, they can select the property type like office or shop or residential, and they can select the labels, minimum area, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms. They can search by using this map also. Let me zoom out of this. Here you can see these are the properties available in this area. So by using this map, it even supports auto suggest search results, so users can quickly find the right property by using this advanced search bar. This makes the website very user friendly for buyers. Here let me open this properties option. Here let me select this grid default properties list. Here you can see these are the here in the properties list. Here you can see in our website we are having like 52 properties, like different types of properties are listed in this properties list. And let's open one property in this website. Here let me scroll down. Let me open single property page. Let me click on this. So whenever a user clicks on a single property listing, so they will be redirected to this single property details page where they can see complete information about that property. Okay, here you can see on the top we can see the property title. This is a property title, villa, which clearly displays the name of this property. Just below that we can see the important details such as property status, property location, property price. And if I scroll down, here you can see this is a property ID. This section helps visitors instantly understand the basic information about this property. On the right side, we can also see quick action icons such as add to favorites, share property, print property details. These features improve the user experience and property engagement. And next we have the property image gallery section. This section displays high quality images of the property. Users can easily, let me click on this gallery option. Users can easily browse through different images to explore the property visually. This gallery includes like living room, kitchen room, bedroom images, bathroom images, exterior view. A good image gallery is extremely important. It helps potential buyers visualize the property before visiting it physically. Let me close it. And if I scroll down below the gallery, we have the property description section. This is the description section, and this is the overview. Like type is villa, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 garages, and the area size of the property, and land area of the property, and the year built, and the property ID, and you can also see the map location. This helps buyers understand the features and benefits of the property. A well written description also helps improve SEO ranking for real estate searches. And on the right side, we have the agent contact card. This section displays the real estate agent responsible for listing. Here we can see agent profile photo, agent name, contact information, and contact form. Visitors can directly contact the agent by filling out the inquiry form. This feature helps generate real estate leads for agents and agencies. And let me scroll down. Below that, we have Google Map integration, which shows the exact location of the property on the map. Let me zoom it. So this allows buyers to easily see the nearby areas, transportation routes, schools and hospitals, nearby neighborhood details. Location is one of the most important factors in real estate decisions. And if I scroll up over here, we have the property features section also. Like we can see the list of amenities available in this property, such as air conditioning, gym, fireplace, dryer, lawn. These features helps buyers understand the additional facilities included with the property. Next, if we scroll down, we have the property video section too. This section allows real estate agents to upload a video tour of the property. A video tour gives buyers a more realistic view of the property layout and design. And if I scroll up here, you can see this is a floor plan. These are the floor plans. If I expand this, here they can see the first floor plan, second floor plan, and the size it is having, like square feet, bedroom size, bathroom size, and the price. If I scroll down, here you are having the mortgage calculator too. What is the down payment we have to do, and loan amount, what is the monthly mortgage payment, property tax. Everything is included in this single property section. And if I scroll down, we are also having like 360 degrees virtual tour. Let me scroll down. And below this, we are having this nearby, what's nearby section, like education, food, health and medical, transportation. These location details is most important factors in real estate decisions. And here you can see, if I scroll down, we are having that this real estate agent information too, like contact details and their social profile links, and you can submit the form. And if I scroll down, we have the property review section. Visitors can see the property reviews left by previous buyers or visitors. Reviews helps build trust and transparency in property listing. Positive reviews also increase the capability of the real estate website. And below, if I scroll down, we are having the similar listings too at the bottom of the page. So this section shows other properties that are similar to this current listings. It helps users to discover more properties based on location, price range, and property type. So this is a complete overview of the single property page in our real estate website. So this page includes everything a buyer needs to make an informed decision. All these features work together to create a professional real estate listing experience similar to platforms like Zillow.com, Magic Bricks, 99acres. And here, if I select this, and if I select this agent's profile, agent's page, here you can see the websites also includes agent profile pages. Each agent has their own profile showing. Okay, if I click on this agent profile, here they can see we are having agent profile name, contact information. If I scroll down, here you can see their listed properties, social media links, and property type, status, and cities. This helps buyers contact directly with the real estate agents. Another amazing feature is we are having like property comparison. Users can select multiple properties and compare them side by side. Suppose if I want to compare this shop with this small shop with retail shop, let me click on this plus add to compare, and I want to compare this also. Let me click on this plus add to compare. Here you can see these two properties are added to the compare list. Let me click on this compare option. Here you can see they can compare price, area, bedrooms, amenities. This makes it easier for buyer to choose the right property. And let me go back to home page. We are going to design this entire website like home page, about page, contact page by using this Elementor page builder. Let me here click on this edit with Elementor option, and here you can see this is the Elementor canvas, and here we are on the left side we are having like Houzez elements, where by using these Elementor elements we are going to design this home page. We are going to design this advanced search builder, this inquiry forms. We can list the featured properties. Today, more than 80% of property searches happen on mobile devices only. That's why this website is 100% mobile responsive. The design automatically adjusts for tablet view and mobile views, and for laptops, and also for large screens. So users will have perfect browsing experience on any device. If I select this on tablet view, here you can see this is in tablet view, this website will be visible like this. If I select this mobile view, so in mobile view, this website will be visible like this. You can see from top to bottom, I am showing you each and every section. It looks perfectly amazing and attractive and professional from top to bottom, each and every section. Let me visit the website. So in this complete tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to buy a domain name, how to choose web hosting, how to install WordPress, how to install the Houzez theme, how to create property listing, how to create agents and agencies, how to enable property submissions, how to create membership plans, how to design the homepage, how to make the website mobile responsive. If you want to build a professional real estate websites like Magic Bricks or Zillow.com or 99 Acres, then make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming tutorials. Now, let's start building our professional real estate website step by step using WordPress and Houzez theme. Before building any website, you need two important things. First, a domain name and second, web hosting. Without these two, your website cannot go live on the internet. So let's understand them in simple words. What is domain name? A domain name is your website's address name on the internet. For example, for Amazon, Amazon.com, for Flipkart, Flipkart.com, for Google, Google.com. This is what people type in their browser to visit your site. So you can think of it like this. Your domain name is your online brand name. Always choose a domain name that is short, easy to type, and easy to remember and related to your business. What is web hosting? Web hosting is where your website lives online. It's a powerful server that stores your pages, images, products, videos, and database and files. Hosting runs 24/7, so people can access your website from anywhere. So simply remember, hosting equal to your website's home on the internet. Now if you want to get a reliable hosting, I recommend using this hosting link provided below this video, balasar.com/hostinger. Just open this link in your browser or just open your browser and type balasar.com/hostinger and press enter. You will be redirected to this official hosting page with the best available discount. If you use my link, you may unlock special discounted pricing compared to regular prices. Also using my Hostinger web hosting link, this supports my channel and helps me create more free tutorials for you. Why I recommend Hostinger web hosting provider? This hosting provider is beginner friendly and powerful because it offers fast servers, strong security, high uptime, free SSL, free domain name, backups, easy dashboard, excellent performance. It's used by millions of websites worldwide. From this, which hosting plan should you choose? You will see multiple plans such as single, premium, business, and cloud startup. But not all plans are suitable for online stores. You need to avoid this single plan because this plan only for testing or personal projects. It has many limitations. It doesn't have no free domain name, low resources, limited performance, not suitable for stores. And next is the premium plan. It is not ideal for stores. Premium plan is fine for blogs or portfolios, but not recommended for e-commerce websites because it's providing normal SSD storage, no CDN is provided, and limited performance. Only online stores need more power, more speed. These two are the best plans. For online stores, I strongly recommend business plan or cloud startup plan. These two plans are optimized for performance and speed. And this business plan is best for real estate website. And I suggest you to take business plan only for real estate website because it is offering many advanced features like AI features also included. So always select business plan for real estate website. Business plan includes NVMe storage, faster than SSD storage, free CDN feature, faster loading worldwide. It is having daily on-demand backups to prevent data loss, more power, more speed. Here NVMe storage loads websites much faster than normal hosting storage. And faster website means better user experience, plus you get more sales. I also suggest you to take Cloud Startup plan. Cloud plan is perfect for if you run ads, expect heavy traffic, sell many products, want maximum performance. It includes like dedicated resources, more RAM, high performance, and ability to handle high peak visitors. This is best for serious business websites. Here you can see we are having CDN feature for business plan and the cloud startup plan, but we don't have CDN feature for singular premium plan. What is CDN? Why it is important? CDN means content delivery network. It stores your websites on multiple servers worldwide. So when someone visits your site, it loads from the nearest server. That means faster loading means better experience and high conversions. And here you can see in business plan and the cloud startup plan, AI features are included like AI website builders, AI content generators, AI troubleshooting assistant, and also WordPress AI helper. These tools save time and help beginners build sites faster. My final recommendation is if you're creating an e-commerce website, WooCommerce store or business website, this business plan is best for real estate website. And I suggest you to take business plan only for real estate website. Then choose business plan or cloud startup plan. Business plan is especially for best value, or cloud startup plan is for best performance. Avoid single and premium plans for online stores. This business plan is best for real estate website. Now that you understood domain names and hosting, which plans to choose, so I suggest you to take business AI plan because it is having AI feature also. So let me click on this, let me choose this business plan, click on choose plan. So whatever the plan you choose, so the pricing will be same. So whenever you're buying web hosting, please do use my this link like balasa.com/hostinger. If you're from India, if you choose like 48 months plan, you will get like 9,552 for 4 years, and it will cost you monthly only 199 rupees per month. And if you choose like 12 months plan, like 1 year plan, hosting will you cost like 299 rupees per month. And if you choose 24 months plan, it will cost you like 249 rupees per month. Here I will suggest you to take always take like 4 years plan, because when you're taking web hosting for the first time, you will get huge discount. And if you're taking only 12 months plan, it will cost you like 299 rupees per month. And from second year, the renewal charges will be like 649 rupees per month. Okay, so here I will give you one calculation. And if you're from other countries, and it will charge you like $2.99 per month. And if you choose like 12 months plan, it will charge you like $4.49 per month. Okay, always choose like 4 years plan. So here choose 4 years plans, and also I will give you coupon code. Click on this have a coupon code and type WP10. Click on apply, where you will get 10% extra discount by using my coupon code. Okay, and by the time you are watching the video, if this coupon code doesn't work, you can WhatsApp me to this number, like type coupon code. So I will give you latest coupon codes that it will give you extra more discount. Okay, and here you can see after applying the coupon code, you will be charged like, if you take for 48 months plan, it will cost you like 179 rupees per month, and for 4 years you are paying 8,596. And if you are from other countries, and if I apply coupon code WP10, you will get extra 10% discount, and monthly you will be charged like $2.69 per month, where you are going to pay for next 4 years $129.17 for next 4 years. And here you can see you are getting free domain name and 3 extra months for free web hosting, and also you are getting like domain privacy protection absolutely for free, and you are getting like daily backups also for free. So these many features you are getting if you take like 4 years plan. So here for tutorial purpose, I'm purchasing business plan. So here I will show you one calculation. So I always suggest you to take like 4 years plan only, like 48 months plan, because you are getting huge discount, because it will cost you like 179 rupees per month. And when you renews, it cost you like 649 rupees per month. If you take 1 year plan, for the first year you are going to charge like 269 rupees per month, and from second year you are going to charge 649 rupees per month. Okay, for next 4 years you are going to pay only like 8,596. Okay, so here I will show you one calculation. If you are purchasing at one time like 4 years plan, it will cost you like 179 rupees per month, and for next 4 years you are going to pay only like 8,569 rupees. Okay, and you are going to save 17,997. And if you are choosing only like 1 year plan, so first 1 year you are going to pay like 3,229. Okay, it will cost you like 269 rupees per month. Here you can see. Okay, and you are going to pay for the first year, you are going to pay like 3,229 rupees. Okay, from second year, the plan will renew from like 649 rupees per month. Here you can see it will cost you, renew starts from 649 rupees per month. From second year, you are going to pay like 7,649 into 12 months, and here also 649 rupees per month into 12 months. Here also 649 rupees per month into 12 months, and every year you are going to pay like 7,788. Okay, for next 3 years you are going to pay this amount, and if I calculate like 4 years yearly plan, and you are going to pay like 26,593 rupees, and here you can see you are going to pay extra 17,997. And if you are taking for the first time 4 years plan, okay, it will cost you like 179 rupees per month, and it will charge you like 8,596 only. Here you can see 8,596, and you are going to save huge amount, like 17,997 rupees you are going to save at a time. So I always suggest you to take like 4 years plan, because if you are going to expand your business in future, so that I will suggest you to take only 4 years plan. Okay, so first time when you are taking 4 years plan, you will get huge discount. Or if you are going for only 12 months plan, means from the second year going to pay like double the amount. For 2 years only you are going to pay this much amount. Okay, so I always suggest you to take like 4 years plan. And also if you are from another countries, if you are choosing only 12 months plan, it will cost you like $4.04 per month, and it will cost you yearly 48.49. And if you are choosing for 48 months plan, it will cost you $2.69 per month, and it will cost you only $129.17. And from the second year, the renewal cost will be like $16.99, and here you can see monthly $62.69. I will show you one calculation. Here you can see if you are from another countries, if you are purchasing in dollars, if you purchase one time like taking 4 years plan, so it will cost you like $2.69 per month. For the 4 years, you are going to pay only $129.17, and you are going to save $530. Okay, if you are choosing only yearly plan, okay, it will cost you like $4.04 per month, and it will, for the first year, going to pay like $48. From second year, the renewal will start from, here you can see, $16.99 per month, which will cost you yearly like $203, and yearly you are going to pay 203, 203, 203. For next 4 years, if you are taking yearly plan, if you are going to pay yearly, it will cost you like $660, and you are going to pay extra $530. So I suggest you to take 4 years plan only, so that you can save like $530 you can save for next 4 years if you are going for the long time. If you're choosing 4 years plan, you will get huge discount, okay. And for Indians, and if you're choosing 4 years plan, here also you are going to save a lot of amount, you are getting huge discount, okay. So after selecting the plan, please do click on continue option, and here you need to add your email ID, password, okay. Always when you're creating password, always create a strong password, like it should contain one capital letter, small letter, minimum 8 characters and numbers also, okay. So enter your email ID, password, and click on register option, okay. I will log in with my Google account. So here you can see I have added these details. So you need to add your first name, last name, mobile number and phone number, everything. And after adding the details, you can also add your company details if you are having company and GST, okay. So next click on continue option, and here if you are from India, you will get like 18% GST will be added to your payment. You can choose like card payment or UPI, PayPal or EMI, okay. And if you're from another countries, you can choose like PayPal, Stripe, or whatever the payment methods you will get, like from Google, okay. So you can make the payment. And if you're from India, if you're choosing UPI, so you can select the UPI, click on submit payment, and here you can see after adding like 18% GST, the total amount will be like 10,144 for business web hosting plan. You can enter your phone number and you can enter your UPI ID. So after entering the UPI ID, here you will see like whenever you are going to pay the amount, if you're from India, if you are choosing from UPI, so you will be charged only like 10,144 rupees. But when you are going to pay from PhonePe or Google Pay or GPay, so it will ask you for auto pay. Here you can see you will be asked to set an auto pay mandate for the amount 15,000. When you are entering the PIN, or if you are paying from the credit card or debit card, it will show you like 15,000. But after entering the PIN, after you are making the payment, only this amount will be debited, okay na. While you are paying, it will show you like 15,000 amount, but only this amount will be charged. Here you can see you will be charged only this, okay. Auto pay mandate means you will be asked to set an auto pay mandate for the amount 15,000. This is done to automate the renewal of your services, so you won't have to re-authenticate often, okay. So it will show like this only, like while you are paying the amount, it will show you 15,000 and only 10,141 rupees will be debited from your account, okay. After adding the UPI, click on this continue option and make the payment. After making the payment, you will be redirected to this page, like get started. You can click on this get started option. Here you need to select this option like myself or my business, okay, and click on next option. And here you need to create a login details for your WordPress dashboard account. So here you can see this is a WordPress dashboard. For this, in order to log into this backend WordPress dashboard, you need to create login details for WordPress dashboard. And after creating the login details, click on next option, and here it will show you like choose a pre-built website, but we are going to create a website from scratch, so click on create blank site option. So here you can see that it will show you like you have one free domain name available. Here you need to type your domain name. If it is available, it will show like 0 rupees for first 1 year. If it is not available, you have to choose another domain name for your website. Here you can see if I type balasagar.com, if it is already someone has already purchased, it will show like already used at Hostinger, okay. And if it is any free domain names are available, and it will show like free for 1 year or 0 rupees for first 1 year. And again here I will type balasagar.in, and balasagar.in also used by someone else registered, so that you cannot claim it. You can use only free domain names that are available over here. If your particular domain name is not available, you have to change your domain name. And here you can see like balasagar.org, it is available. You can use this domain name if it is free for 1 year. For just a tutorial purpose, I'm using these domain names, and I didn't buy these domain names, okay. And here you can see balasagarwebdesigner.com. I have typed this, and it is available for first 1 year. Here it will show like 0 rupees. Here you can see it is showing like 0 rupees for first 1 year. So that please do select it. After selecting it, you have to click on next option. And here you need to register your domain name. You need to select personal or company. So let me select personal. Select your country. So here I'm selecting my country as India. So please do select India and click on next step option. So let me select personal and click on next step option. And here you need to enter your first name, last name, email ID, address, city, zip code and phone number. So here you can see I have entered all my details and phone number, and click on finish registration option. Let me select finish registration. It will ask you to register option. Click on register. After selecting the register option, you need to check your details and click on I understand, tick mark it, and click on complete registration option. So let me select this complete registration option. So your domain name will be registering. After registering your domain name, you will be redirected to this. Here you need to select your server location. So I am from India. I'm selecting India. If you are from another countries like Brazil or France, you need to select your nearest server location. Okay, here you can see if I'm from USA, you need to select like USA server locations. If you're from UK, you can select UK. Okay, so I selected Indian server location. So let me select Indian server location and click on next option. And now WordPress will start installing. So now it's 100% installed, ready to go. After WordPress installed in your domain name, you will be redirected to this page. And this is a hostinger. This is your WordPress dashboard, like WordPress, your website backend. And if you click on this visit site, this is your front end of the website. It is completely empty. Okay, here you can see in this option, you need to click on this go to HPanel option in order to go to your web hosting, Hostinger web hosting. Okay, this is your Hostinger HPanel or else Hostinger dashboard. Okay, from here you can manage your website from the backend. Okay, this is a web hosting. This is a Hostinger web hosting dashboard, and here you can see this is a WordPress admin panel. We call this as WordPress admin panel or else backend of the website, and this is called front end of the website. If you want to visit your website, here you will see an option like WordPress admin, or else if I click on this overview option, this will be your, you can visit, if you want to visit the front end of your website, you can click on this option, or else if you want to visit the back end of the website, you can click on this WordPress admin option. Okay, you can log into your back end of the WordPress dashboard by clicking on this WordPress admin option. If you click on this option, it will be redirected to your back end of the website. Or if you want to directly log into your WordPress dashboard without visiting the web hosting, okay, there is another way. Let me click on logout option. So this is the front end of the website. Okay, if I want to log into the WordPress admin panel, just after your website name .com or .in, type wp-admin. In order to log into your backend of the website, after your website name, you need to type /wp-admin. Okay, and type / and click on enter. So you will be redirected to your login page, WordPress admin login page. Here you need to enter your username and password. Click on login option, and you can directly log into your WordPress admin panel. Okay, if you want to visit the site, you can click on this and click on this visit site option so that you can visit the front end of the website. Okay, and this is a Hostinger dashboard where you can manage everything. And if you are somehow redirected to this page, click on this Hostinger home option, and please do click on this websites option, and here click on this websites list option. Here you will find all the websites that you are managing in your Hostinger web hosting. Okay, if you want to visit the backend of the website, click on this WordPress admin. If you want to view the dashboard of your domain name, just click on this dashboard option. Here you will be redirected to this Hostinger dashboard. If you want to visit the backend of the website, click on this WordPress admin. Okay, you click on this so that you will be redirected to this page. Okay, let me select this dashboard option, and this is a WordPress dashboard. And this is a WordPress dashboard, and here you need to select this dashboard option. Please do select this dashboard. Here it will show like welcome to WordPress, and if I click on this updates option, if you are having any updates in your website like theme updates or plugins updates, you can update from here. Or also if you are having like latest update of the WordPress, you can update from here. Okay, in this section. And if I select this post option, from this post option we can create blog post in our website. Okay, by clicking on this add new post, and you can create blog post. And if I select this categories, you can create different blog categories. And here if I click on this tabs option, you can create different tags for this blog post. Okay, if I select this media, from this media, whatever the images you see in the front end, so all the media files will be like audio or video, images, icons, elements, everything will be visible from backend. Here stored from the, everything will be stored in this here in the library option. Okay, in the backend. In the demo website, here you can see we are having like this home image and background images. These images, all the images will be stored in the media library. Okay, you can click on this add media file option. Click on select files. You can select this image. Let me select this image and click on open. You can upload images, media files from this section. Okay, if I click on this pages option, from here you can add pages in your website, like you can create home page, properties, property, real estate, others, and contact page. All these pages you can create from this pages section. Okay, and let's select this comment section, and here you can see whatever the comments we get. We have created the blog post. If we create blog post in our website, whatever the comments we get in the blog post, so those comments will be appear over here. You can unapprove them, or you can click on spam, or you can trash them. Okay, next, appearance. What is this appearance? Appearance means if I select this appearance option, here you can see themes and editor option. This themes option, by using this theme in WordPress website, we install WordPress software in Hostinger, and on top of Hostinger we install themes. Okay, what are these themes? Themes represent look and feel of our website. By using these themes, we can customize our header, we can customize our footer, we can edit pages, we can edit blog posts. All this can be possible with the help of this theme. Okay, overall themes is related to appearance of our website. Okay, let me select this plugins option next. In our website, we are having like a different plugins. And what are plugins? Plugins are the kind of software which adds extra features and functionalities to our website. If I select the contact page over here you can see in order to add inquiry forms in our contact page, we use like WP Forms plugin. And here we are having like different plugins in the software, installing WordPress software in Houzez. Okay. And in the upcoming video, I will show you what are the plugins, what are the important plugins we need to install in this real estate website designing. Okay. And next, let's select this user section, and from this user section you can add multiple users like admin or editor or author to manage your website. You can visit my YouTube channel like BBSHARED Web Developer. Here you can see I have created a dedicated video, user roles WordPress 2026 step by step. You can watch this video. I will put this video in the link in the description or in the I button. You can click and watch this video. In-depth tutorial about different user roles we can add in our website in order to manage our WordPress website. Now let me select this profile option, and here you can see this is a profile section where you can customize your WordPress dashboard stylings. Okay, you can select any of these options as per your requirement. Let me initially put this as default. If I scroll down here, you can see you can add your profile picture by using GRABHOSTWP profile, and you can also, if you want to set new password to your WordPress dashboard, you can click on this set new password and you can change your password and click on update profile. So your password will be changed. Okay. And if you have been logged in another devices, you can log out from everywhere else by clicking on this option. Okay. And click on this update profile option. Okay. Next is the settings. Please do select this settings option. Click on leave. In this settings option, you can select the site title as real estate website. Here you can see you can add your site titles like a real estate company, and you can add your taglines like best real estate company in Hyderabad. Okay. If you type like my name like Balasagar, and here you can see balasagar.com, my website name is visible like Balasagar, and this is my site title like the best web designer in Hyderabad. If we come back to our WordPress dashboard, here you can see we can add our site title like this, real estate company and best real estate company in Hyderabad. You can add your site title and tagline, and you can also set site icon. If you visit any website like Houzez, here you can see we are having like H icon, and for Google we are having like G logo, and you can also set your site icon to your WordPress website. Let me select this choose site icon, and you can upload your site icons. Let me go to the media library. I want to set this as site icon. Let me click on site icon, and please do scroll down, and here you need to click on this save changes option, and immediately after making the changes, after saving the settings, here you can see on my website is showing this site icon is visible over here on my website, top of my website. And here this is the administrator email ID. If you want to change your email ID, you can change your replace your email ID with your new email address. Okay, and let me scroll down, and here you can see this is a membership option. You need to enable this option. Anyone can register. Okay, whenever you are creating a e-commerce website or any real estate website, or if you want users to register in your website, you need to enable this option, membership option. Okay, many people will forget to enable this option, because if you disable this option, no one can register on your website. Okay, here in our demo website, here you can see in order to create real listing, if any agent or your customer they want to create listing, they have to create an account. Okay, in order to create account, you need to enable this. Anyone can register this option. Okay, and you need to select your time zone. Let me select my time zone. Here I'm from India. I'm selecting Kolkata as time zone, and you can select date format, time format, and after that you can click on this save changes option. So now the settings have been changed, and after making these changes, you have to go to this, select this under settings option. You have to select this permalinks option, and every time this permalink structure should be post name. Okay, this will help for the SEO of your website blog posts. Okay, after selecting the post name, click on the save changes option.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar, and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
After making these changes, let's go to this appearance option. Here you can see I'm having like default theme like 2025 theme, and let me click on this visit site, and here you can see initially our website front end will look like this. Okay, this is our website backend. In order to create a real estate website like this, and in order to upload like a property listing and all, we are going to use another theme called like Houzez. Okay, so we need to install that theme, and we will convert normal website into real estate listing website. Okay, go to your website browser and type like balasagar.com/Houzez, Houzez. Okay, you need to use this link. Okay, so after visiting this website, click on this link and immediately you will be redirected to this page like Houzez Real Estate WordPress theme. And this is a theme we are going to install on our website in order to create a real estate listing website. If you want to create a professional and real estate website like Magic Bricks, 99 acres or housing.com or zillow.com, then you need the right theme. In this video, so here I am going to show you how to use Houzez is one of the best real estate WordPress theme in 2026 and why thousands of people trust this. As of March, here you can see they are having like more than 55,000 plus sales and 4.84 star ratings by 2,700 plus people, positive user reviews, and here they are having like more than 10,000 plus comments, and it is a hash best selling WordPress theme for real estate. And this is a proven, trusted and industry leading real estate theme. And the best part is it is available in only like $79 one time payment, no monthly subscription, no hidden charges. You pay once and you get a complete real estate website solution. Compared to hiring a developer for $1,000 to $3,000, this is extremely affordable purchasing this Houzez WordPress theme for just $79. As I have shown in the introduction video, it is having a lot of advanced features so you can have. So this is not just a theme, this is a full business solution. If you are serious about building a professional real estate website in 2026, Houzez is one of the safest and smart investments you can make. For just $79, you get everything you need to start your real estate business online. So please do use my link like balasar.com/Houzez. So you will be redirected to this page. After selecting, click on this add to cart. And here you need to select like if you don't need, like initially for $79 you will get like 6 months support. If you have any issues with this regarding this, you will get 6 months support for this $79. And click on this go to checkout option, and here you can enter your billing address, and after selecting the billing address you can pay this amount like a handling fee and GST. It will cost you like a total $89, like $88. You can pay this using like credit or debit card, or you can pay using PayPal, or let me select PayPal, and you can pay with PayPal. Okay, so after purchasing this theme, you need to click on this your user dashboard, and here you need to select this downloads option. From this theme, you need to select this download option, and here you need to download installable WordPress file only. You need to download this file, this second option. Okay, so from the download section, you need to click on this install WordPress file only. Let me click on install now. Here you can see I have downloaded the Houzez theme in zip format. So you need to download in zip format only. It will be downloaded in zip format. After downloading the Houzez theme, you need to come to your WordPress dashboard, click on this appearance option, and after that click on this themes option, click on add theme, and you need to upload that zip file. Click on upload theme, click on choose file, and here you can see you need to select this zip format file, click on open, and after that you need to click on install now. After this theme has been installed, click on activate option. After installing and activating the plugin, here you can see it will ask like Houzez purchase verification code. So here you need to add your verification code over here, like enter item purchase code. You need to copy the purchase code from the website and you need to verify the code so that your Houzez theme license will be activated. Here you can see again you need to go to your download section, and here you need to download license certificate and purchase code. So you need to download that file, and here you can see you need to open that PDF folder, and here you will find like this option called item purchase code. Okay, and this is a code you need to copy. Let me right click it and copy the code. So now you need to install that item purchase code over here and click on verify. Now your Houzez license will be activated successfully. After activating the license, you will get this option like you need to install these required plugins. Okay, or else you can click on these options, Houzez option, click on this plugins option. On the left side you will find this option, click on publish plugins option, and here you need to click on this install required plugins over here. Okay, let me click on this install required plugin, and it will start installing all the required plugins that are required for this real estate theme. So now here I have successfully installed all the required plugins over here. Here you can see, and here few more plugins have not been installed. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to click on this Houzez CRM, install these few themes, and here you need to install this. No need of installing this one click demo import. You can install this MS on the fly. We don't require this slider revolution plugin. Install this MailChimp for WordPress website. After installing these plugins, you have to click on this activate, and you need to activate this plugin also, and you need to activate this plugin, and you need to activate this plugin also. Okay, and here you can see this is a all plugin section, and click on this required plugin section. Here you need to select, you need to install and activate all these required plugins. Okay, these are the recommended plugins. You can select this recommended option, click on activate it. So Houzez CRM and Fair Themes Insights and Amazon Fly, it is activated. Okay, now all the required plugins have been activated, installed and activated. You can click on this update all option also if there are any updates are available. Click on this refresh status option after installing all the required plugins. So after installing all the plugins, here you can see on the left side you will get this themes option, Houzez option, and here you can see real estate option. If you click on this plugins option, so here you can see all the required plugins have been installed and activated. Okay, and if there any plugin is left, click on activate, and here you need to update this plugin also. Click on update now. So after updating, here you can see we have successfully installed all the required plugins in Houzez theme. Let me select this theme options, and it should display all these theme options over here, and you need to select this Houzez option and check all the plugins have been installed or not, and please do select this real estate option, and here you can find all these options that are required in this real estate website. So after installing all the themes, now here you can see now we need to create all these pages and also main menu, and I will show you how to create all these pages. Let's go to this pages option on the back end. Click on this pages option. Here you can see we are having only 2 pages are available over here. So click on this add new page, open link in new tab. Let me add new page. Click on add new page, and here add page name as home page. Let me click on home page, and here after adding the home page, you need to select the template. Here you can see there will be on the right side, you will see this option called template, and here it is having like default template. Let me select this default template, and from the drop down menu here you will see a drop down menu. Here you need to select Houzez page builder. Okay, so I will give you a list, this PDF list in my, you can download these resources by clicking on the description below this video. Okay, so you can download this PDF file. After downloading, you need to select, you have to enter home page, and after entering home page, you need to select this template Houzez page builder for the home page. Here you can see I have selected Houzez page builder for this home page. So after selecting the Houzez page builder, sorry, let me click on this page option. Here you can see I have selected the Houzez page builder option. After selecting this template, click on this publish option. Click on publish. Okay, after publishing, you can click on this preview view page. So that's how it will look like this. Okay, so immediately let's go to backend. Let's go to this pages option. Let me refresh this. Here you can see this is a home page. Okay, let's add blog page also. Let me click on add page in order to create blocks. So let me type blog page, and in the template section here also click on this default template. In the drop down menu, you need to select this option Houzez page builder and click on publish. Okay, and after creating these pages, let's go to backend and let me refresh this page. Under pages section here you can see we have created a home page and the blog page. Immediately after creating the home page and blog page, so here you can see whenever I click on this is a default page. This is a, whenever we visit our website, this is the first page it is showing. Okay, we need to make this home page as default page. Okay, so you need to do these settings. So after creating home page and blog page, go to settings option, select this settings option. Under settings, you need to select this option reading. Okay, click on this reading option, and here you need to select this your home page displays as, select a static page, and for home page you need to select home page, and for post page you need to select this blog page. Okay, we are making home page as default page, like whenever someone visits our website, home page should be our first page. Okay, so you need to definitely make these settings. Okay, for home page you need to select home page, and whatever the blog post we create in our website, those blog posts or blogs will be displayed in the blog page. After selecting these pages, click on this save changes option, and now let's go to this pages option. Let's create remaining pages. So let me click on add page again. So let me open few more pages. Let me click on add pages, few more tabs. And now after adding add page, let's select about page right now. So after adding about page, and you need to select the default template, and default template should be Houzez page builder. Click on publish, and next we need to select contact page. Let's add contact page. So after adding contact page, again you need to select the default template as home page, Houzez page builder as default home page, Houzez page builder as contact page. Click on publish, and next let me close this. Next we need to add all properties text. So let me open this, let me paste it, add all properties, and you need to select this template as template listing grid 5. So let me select this default template, and from the drop down list you can select template listing grid 5. Okay, click on publish. I have selected a grid 5 only. There are many templates are available. If you check this template list, here you can see you will find lot of templates are available. Okay, so let me go to this default page, and here under default page, here you can see this is a grid default. Let me select this under properties option. Let me select grid layout, grid default. So all the properties what we have added in our website will be shown like this. Okay, and if I select grid full width 3, and here you can see we are having 3 columns grid format, and here we are having many layouts like a list layout with sidebar. Okay, so all the properties will look like this, and also like with map, with header map. Okay, so there are many grid layouts, different styles are available. How your properties should be displayed in the properties page. Okay, you can select any of these as per your requirement. Okay, as per now I'm selecting template listing grid 5 only. Okay, and click on save changes, publish. Next we need to add my properties. Let me select my property, and let me add here my property, and here for my property we need to select user dashboard property template. Let me select default template. From the drop down menu we need to select user dashboard property. So here you need to select this user dashboard properties. Let me select this, click on publish, click on publish option, and let's add a create listing page. Let me click on add title, and here we need to add create listing, and here we need to select user dashboard create listing template. Let me click on this default template, and here we need to select user dashboard create listing text. Click on publish, and now let me add another page, and here we need to add like agent option, agent page. Let me add agent page, and you need to select templates all agents. Okay, you need to select default template. Let me select templates all agents. Okay, you need to select this template and click on publish. And next let's add another page. Now we need to add like agencies page. Let me copy it and let me paste it, add the title as agencies, and we need to select template all agencies. Okay, you need to click on this default template option. From default template, select this template all agencies option, and after selecting this, click on this publish option. And here again we need to add new page. Next page we need to add like compare properties. Let me copy this page, and here let me paste it, compare properties, and here you need to select compare properties template. Let me select this default template. From the drop down, select this option compare properties and click on publish. Let me close these pages. Here let me refresh this page, and here you can see whatever the pages we have added, all these pages will be visible over here. And let's add another page, board page. So let me click on add new page. Let me add title as board, and here you need to select Houzez CRM for board. From the default template, select this template Houzez CRM. Okay, click on publish, and let's add another page. I need to add page as membership info in order to create memberships in our website. Let me add membership info, and here we need to select user dashboard membership template. Select this default template, and template option, here you need to select user dashboard membership info. Click on publish, and next we need to add invoices page. Let me click on add page. Let's add invoices page title, and we need to select user dashboard invoices template. Let me click on this default template, and here you need to select this is a user dashboard invoices. Click on publish, and here we need to add favorite properties page. Let me click on add page and add title, and select the user dashboard favorites template. We need to click on this default template. Here you need to select this option user dashboard favorite properties. Click on publish. Next we will add packages. You can also add packages in order to add listings in your website. Like you can create different packages like free package, free trial version, gold package, premium package, standard packages. Okay, let's add another page. Let me add packages, and here you need to select packages template. Let me click on this default template. Under the drop down, select this package option, and after that click on this publish option. Next, let's add insights page. Click on add page, add title as insights, and we need to select user dashboard insights. Select the default template, and under the drop down, select this user dashboard insights template. Click on publish. Next, let's add like search results. Let me copy it. Click on add page, add title, select the default template. I need to select the template as search results. Let me select the drop down and select this template search results. Please do select it and click on publish it. Next we will add like saved searches option. Let me copy it. Click on add page, add title as saved searches. Select template as user dashboard saved. Click on default template. So here you need to select user dashboard saved search. Click on publish. Next we need to add complete order like payment page. Click on add page, add title as payment complete order. You need to select payment page template. Let me select this default template from under the drop down. Select this payment page template and click on publish option. And last, let's add this my profile. Copy this text. Let's add new page. and you need to select template as user dashboard profile. Let me select this default template from the drop down. Here you need to select user dashboard profile. Select this user dashboard profile and click on publish. Let's close all the pages, and here let me refresh this page. Here you can see we have added all these pages right now, like home page, blog page, about page, contact, all property, my property, create listing, agencies, agent, compare properties board. So all these are we have created like 22 plus pages, like 20 plus pages right now. Okay, and here privacy policy and these pages we didn't publish them. Okay, and that's how we create these pages. So after creating the pages, here you can see, let's visit these pages like home page. If I visit this home page, and here it will look like this, and here we have made like home page as default page. Okay, so and also if you want to visit this user dashboard, you can click on this view option, and here you can find all the details regarding the user, like dashboard, activities, insights, deals, leads, inquiries, and properties, the properties they have added. If they want to add new properties, you can click on this create listing, and you can start adding all these properties and favorite properties, saved searches, invoices. Okay, my profile, you can check his profile over here. Okay, you can click on this logout in order to log out. Okay, so this is a dashboard, user profile dashboard. Okay, and now after creating this, here you can see in the demo website, let me click on this home page, and here we have created like a main menu. Okay, so first let's create this main menu. After creating the pages, we will create this main menu. I will show you how to create main menu. So let's go to backend, and here you need to click on this appearance option, and under appearance you will see this option called menus. Okay, and here we need to create a menu. Let me select this as main menu. Sorry, here you need to select this main menu option, click on create menu. So after creating the menu, click on view all. Here we need to add these options, like first we need to have home page, about page, properties. Let me select this home page, about page, and click on add to menu, home page, about page, next to properties page. So here you can see I have added like all property. Let's go to pages option. We need to edit this all properties option. Here let me click on this quick edit. We will add as properties, all properties. Let me delete this slug, click on updates. Okay, again let's go to appearance, click on menus option, click on refresh. So click on view all option. Here we will select this all properties option, click on add to menu. Okay, click on home page, blog page, about page, and here you can see we are having like a add to menu. Let me select home page, about page, blog page, all properties page, and this is a property page, and we are having like different properties over here. You can select this option as like my property, click on add to menu, and next here we are having like realtor, we are having like agents profile, agent profile, and agencies. So later we will create like agent profile and the agency profile. After creating the agency and agent profile, we can add these two into the submenu. Okay, let me click on this custom link, and here we can create like custom link. Okay, let me add as realtor, and link should be empty, and click on add to menu. Whenever you click on this realtor option, it should not redirect to any page. Okay, this is the empty page, and under this we will have these options like agents page and agencies pages. Okay, so after adding realtor, so we will add sub pages. Click on expand this pages option, click on view all option, and here we will add like agencies and agent. Click on add to menu. So it should be a sub page. Okay, let me drag it over here, and let's add this realtor, agent, and agency as sub pages of the realtor page. Okay, so this is a main page, and we are having sub items. You need to give little more gap in order to make these two menus as sub pages. Okay, and after that we are having like others pages, other options. So let's add again, let's click on this custom links and type link text as others, and here let's add URL as ash. Click on add to menu. Under this we need to have sub pages like compare properties, membership info, packages, saved searches. Okay, favorites, insights, and all. Okay, let me click on this expand this pages option, click on view all, and here we need to add like board, compare properties, favorite properties, insights, invoices, membership, saved searches, search results, add to menu. Click on add to menu, and we will add all this as sub pages. Let me drag and drop it over here. Let me drag this, it should be sub page of this others pages. Okay, click on save menu. We don't need to add these options like my profile, and we don't need to select these options. Like here you can see, let me visit the page here. Let me click on this option. Here it is having like the dashboard, my profile, and logout option. We don't need to add like my profile option. If we click on this my profile option, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, let me click on this dashboard option. Okay, if anyone select this board option, they will be redirected to this user dashboard. Okay, here you can see if I click on this board option dashboard, so the user will be redirected to this page. So after adding all these pages, click on this save menu. You can also add like packages and membership info under these other sub pages. Let me add packages, membership info. Okay, or else you can add packages as a main page. Okay, after adding this, let's add like contact page also. Click on view all, let me select this contact page, click on add to menu, click on save menu. Now let's visit our website. Let me click on this visit site, open link in new tab. Here you can see we have added all the required pages like home page, about page, blog page, my properties, all properties, realtor, agent and agencies, others, all these pages, packages, contact. And here by default in the main menu, we will get this create listing option. Okay, if you want to log out, you can log out this option. Okay, later when we are creating the header menu, I will show you how to customize this header menu like this. Okay, I will show you how to customize this header menu, how to upload this slogan and all. Okay, and that's how you create this main menu in our website. So now after creating the main menu, here if I click on this create listing option, here you can see if I click on this create listing option, here we need to add like property title, content, and here we need to add like commercial or office, a status we need to select like for rent or for sale, and here you can see hot offer, open house, sold. And now I will show you how to add these properties. Before adding properties, let's go to this dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and here please do select this real estate option under Houzez. Here you will see like properties and new property. Before we add properties option, let's visit our website and let me select one property. Here you can see, and it is here you can see this is a property, and here we are having like property type. It is apartment, and how many it is a apartment, and here you can see this is the address of this apartment, and here you can see there is a label called for rent. Okay, so we need to add all these details. Okay, first we need to add this type. Like, okay, let me select this type option. Okay, in the type option, we need to add whether it is a studio or villa, or else whether it is a like commercial shop or rental space. Okay, so we need to add the types what we are having in the property. Okay, let me go to this website backend dashboard. Here you can see, let me select this real estate option. Let me type this type option in the demo website. So here we are having types like commercial office, commercial shop, residential apartment, studio, villa. We need to add these types. Okay, so first let's go to backend, and here you need to select this real estate option, and here you need to select this type option. Let me select this type, and here we will add type as, first let's add type as villa. Okay, after adding type as villa, and here please do make these options all as default. You don't need to add anything. And here you can add the image like add media. Here if I visit the website, if I scroll down, here you can see we are having like explore property types by category like apartment or office or shop. Okay, we need to add like images also for these types. Okay, so first I have added villa, and let me click on this add media option, image. Let me click on upload option. So before uploading images, here you can see you can visit my website like bharasar.com/resources. So you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see real estate website designing. You can download the resources. Okay, these are the resources, real estate houses resources. If I open this, you need to download in zip format. It will be downloaded in zip format. After downloading, you can extract them, and here you can see houses pages templates like what template we have to choose in this. Okay, this is a PDF I have shared, and logo, and here also I have shared like images, what images we have to select for the property types. Okay, and also page templates. All the resources will be available in the resource section. Okay, you can visit my website like bharasar.com/resources. Okay, let me click on this select files, and in the image section, property type images, you need to upload all these images. Okay, here you can see these are the images. Please do select all these images and click on upload. So first let me select this villa image. Please do select it, and here click on add new type. And next let's add like office. Okay, let me add another type as office. Let me add office and click on add media file, and here you need to add office image. Let me select this office image and click on add new type. Okay, here you can see office and villa. Next we will add like shop. Let me copy this, and here let's add as type as shop. So after adding shop, please do select add media, and we need to select this shop image. Click on select, click on add new type, and we have added 3 types. Okay, and here if we visit our website, in order to add create listing, if I click on this create listing option, or else if you go to dashboard option, here you can see this is a create listing option. In order to add properties, we need to select these types. Okay, office, shop, villa, and we need to add status, and we need to add labels also. Okay, so after that we need to select apartment. Let me copy apartment, and here we will add another type as apartment. After adding apartment, click on image, and we need to select the apartment image. Click on select, click on add new type, and here it is added. And next we will select as studio. Let's add another type as studio. Let me add studio. So after adding studio, click on add image, and let's select this studio image and click on add new type. And now we have added like 5 types. Okay, after adding 5 types, let's go to this create listing option, and here you can see if I click on this create listing and if you select this type, all these options will be available over here, like apartment, office, shop, studio, villa. Okay, and next after that, here you can see this is a status. Let me select the status option. So in this status we are going to add like for sale. What is this for status? You need to add like for rent or for sale. Okay, open house or reduced by resale or new listing. We can add these types. Okay, so let me add status as for rent. So let me add first for rent and click on add new status, and let's add another status like for sale. Let me copy this for sale and let me add for sale status, and let's add like resale. Let's add another type as another status as resale. Okay, and let me add another status as open house. Let me type open house and click on add. Here we have added like 4 types, 4 statuses like open house, resale, for sale, for rent. Here you can see if I click on this properties option, here you can see this is the option you will get like for sale, and here you can see this is a for rent. This is a status we will get in the like properties section. Okay, after adding the status, now let's select this features option. Let me select this features option. If you visit this any of the property, let me select one property, and here you can see we need to add features. Let me scroll down, and here you can see these are the features. If it is a villa, like if it is apartment. Okay, in this apartment, what are the features we are getting? Like air conditioning, gym, microwave oven, okay, barbecue, laundry, refrigerator, TV table. So we can select all these options. Okay, let me copy this air condition, and here we will add like please do select this real estate option. Click on this features option and add features like air conditioning. Next, let's add like gym. Let me copy gym and let's add gym, add new feature. Let me add swimming pool and add new feature. Let's add Wi-Fi and click on add new feature. Let's add lawn and click on add new feature. So you can add many features. Here you can see there are many features available as per your requirement. As per now, for the tutorial purpose, I'm adding only these features. Okay. Now let's select this labels option. And what are this labels option? Here you can see in the property section, here you can see it is for sale and it is showing like hot offer. We can add these labels like hot offer or open sale or sold out. Okay. These are the labels. So first let's add a hot offer. So here add label as hot offer and click on add new label, and let's add another label as open house. Click on add new label, and let's add another label as sold. Let me select sold and click on add new label. Here you can see we have added like sold, open house and hot offer. And next, after adding labels, we need to select the country. Click on this country option, and here we are selling all the apartments and everything. This website is related to only India, so I'm adding only country as India. Let me type India and click on add new country. You can also add different countries also like USA or UK as per your requirements. Let me select this India, click on edit, and before adding India I need to add like this add media file also. Let me click on add image, click on upload files, select files. Let me upload all the images related to image. Let me upload all the images related to India. For India, let me select this image and click on select image and click on update. Okay, and here you can see I have added the country as India, and let's add states. Let me select the states option. Let me add state as first state as Telangana, and you can add image also for Telangana. Let me select this Hyderabad image, select and click on add new state. Next, let's add Tamil Nadu state. Click on add media. Let me select this image, and after selecting the image, click on this add new state. Let's add another state as Madhya Pradesh. Click on add media, and we will select Madhya Pradesh related image. And here you need to select this which country the state has. Okay, you need to select India. Okay, click on add new state. So for remaining I didn't add. Let me click on this quick add. Let me click on this edit option, and here I need to select the country as India. Click on update. Go to categories. Let me click on edit Tamil Nadu, and let me select the country as India. Click on update. Let's go to categories. Let's add another state as Maharashtra and select the country as India. Click on add new state. Okay, here you need to add state names and the country names. Okay, after adding states, you need to select add cities. Okay, let me select this city option. Let me add city name as Hyderabad, and it belongs to which state? It belongs to Telangana state. Click on add new city. Let's add another state as Chennai, and it belongs to Tamil Nadu. Click on add new city. Let's add another state as Bhopal, and it belongs to Madhya Pradesh. Click on add new city. You can add their images also, city images also. Okay, and here I didn't add it. Click on edit. Click on add media file. Let me select Hyderabad image. Click on update. So in this way I add all the images to remaining cities also. Let's add another city as Mumbai and select the state as Maharashtra and add image as, let me select this image and click on select image and click on add new city. In order to use free copyright free images, you can visit this website like pixabay.com Okay, this is a website, and we are having like pixels.com website, and we are having like unsplash.com website. From these three websites we can download free images and we can use these free images in our website. Okay, so after adding the cities, here you can see we are having like areas also. So as per now we don't require areas. I'm adding only like country, state and cities. Okay, we don't require areas. If you want to add areas also, you can add areas too. Click on real estate option, click on this area option. You need to add area and which city it belongs to, like Hyderabad, and you can add that area images also. Okay, so as per now we need only like country, state and city is enough. Okay, now after adding all these details like type, status, features, labels, country, state and city, we need to add properties. In this real estate website, we can add properties from the front end and also back end. So from back end, like admin backend, admin dashboard. From admin dashboard, you can click on this add new property. Let me click on this new property, and from here we can add properties. Okay, from the front end also we can add properties, but from front end, before they add before they create listing or add properties, they need to create an account like agent or agencies. Okay, or else as a agent or agencies. Okay, and here first let's create properties from backend. So click on this new property and you will be redirected to this page. So after here we need to add the title. Let me visit one property here. Let me click on this default layout option. So now let's add this. Let me visit this property, and here you can see we are going to add, this is a property details. So someone has added, like agent has added. Now let me copy the title like villa with pool. Let me copy this, and here let me add title as villa with pool, and let's add description also. And here if I scroll down, this is a description. Let me copy this description, and here let's paste this description over here. Okay, after pasting the description, you need to scroll down. Okay, after scroll down, you need to add all this information like information, map, property settings, media, virtual tool, contact information, sliders, sublisting, floor plans, everything. So everything will be added over here, like this villa address name, and what is this villa cost, and what is the square feet. Okay, what is it featured or for sale or for hot offer. Okay, you can view in map also in full view. Okay, you can check the overview like villa type. Type is villa and 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 garage, and how much square feet area size it is. You can select the address. You can give the details. Okay, additional details, features, floor plans. Okay, let me select this floor plan. Here you can see I will show you how to add all these details right now. First here let's add like a sale or rent price. So first let me select the rent price as this is a villa, and this villa cost, let's add like for Indian rupees, let's add 3 crores 50 lakhs. Okay, you need to add only numbers. You should not add any commas or dots. Okay, and the second price is, this is the second price, like how much square feet it is having. Okay, per square feet let's add like 30,000 per square feet. Okay, and here you need to add the price prefix. So here you can see we are having like price prefix and after the price. So after the price, this is after the price, we need to add like square feet. Let me copy this square feet, and here let's add square feet. It should be in capital letters, square feet. After that we need to add area size. If I scroll down over here, and here you can see this is the area size. Okay, let me add area size. Let me copy it, and here let's add area size. And after that we need to add size postfix. So this is a postfix like square feet. Let me copy it and let me paste it over here. And you can also add like a land area size. So already we have added like area size and size postfix. So we no need to add this. And you can also add how many bedrooms it is having. If I go to this property option here, you can see we are having like 4 bedrooms. Let me add like 5 bedrooms and like 3 bathrooms. And in the bathroom section, 3 bathrooms and 1 garage. And you can also enter like garage size. So let's add a garage size as 150 square feet. So let me add 150 square feet for garage size. And you can also add year built like 2019. Let me add 2019. And here you need to add property ID. For Indians, you need to add like RERA number as property ID. So you can add like RERA number like this, RERA and some numbers. Okay, after adding these details, let me click on this map option. Here you need to select the map. You can, or else you can enter the address also. Let me type map address as Hyderabad. So let me select this Hyderabad map. Here you can zoom it. And here you can select the exact address. Here this is a map icon. Here you can adjust the exact address as per your requirement. So let me select this exact address. And here if I scroll down, you can enable you can hide or show the street view. Okay, let me click on this show street view also. And next let's select this property settings option. And here you need to add a street address. Let me select this street address. let me copy the street address. Let me add over here, like let me remove this, and here let me add Hyderabad street address. So here I have added the street address, and you can also add postal code like 5,13. And here you can see, do you want to mark this property as featured? If you want this property should be visible in the featured page, you can click on this S option, and the user must be logged in to view this property. No, anyone can view this property without logging into this website. Okay, after that select this media option. So here let me add this media files. Let me select add media files, click on upload files, select files, and here you need to, so I will upload all the images that are available. Let me click on upload all images. You can download these images from the resource section. So let me add all these images. So here you can see these are the images. Okay, if you want to add video URL in your website, you can go to dashboard and click on this images option, media option, click on this media option. Here you can upload your media file like video file. After uploading the video file, if we consider this as video file, like a video file, you can copy this URL to clipboard, and here you can paste that URL so that that video URL will be played over here. Okay, and next, after adding images, you need to select this 360 degrees virtual tour, and here you can embed the code of the 360 degrees virtual tour video. So as per now, we don't require this 360 degrees virtual tour. Okay, and next here contact information. Let's select this contact information here. Initially you select this author info only. In the upcoming video, if we add like if we create agent info, in the upcoming video I will show you how to add like how to register as an agent in this real estate website, how to register as agency in this real estate website. Later I will show you why these options are required. Okay, as for now we will select this author info, because what information do you want to display in agent data container? Okay, please do select this author info only, because we are adding this data from we are creating this listing from the admin dashboard. Okay, now let's select slider option. So if you want to add sliders in your property details, you can add sliders too, and and again sublisting. If you want to add another sublisting, you can add sublisting also, like title. As per now, we don't need to add this sublisting, so please do select this floor plans. And what is this floor plan? Okay, let me visit this website, and here you can see this is the floor plans. Okay, if I expand this, here you can see we are having image, and what is the square feet size, and what is the bedroom square feet, and what is the bathroom, and what is this price. You can add all those details. Okay, and now let's add these floor plans, and this is the first floor. Let me copy this first floor, and let me add this plan title as first floor. And here you can add like bedrooms. Here you can add like plan size. Let me select this plan size as, this is the size. Let me add plan size as 1250, and let's add price also. Here you can see this is the price. Okay, let me add like 30,000 per square feet. Let's add like 30,000. Here let's add like 30,000 per square feet. And you can also add a bedroom size and bathroom size also. Here you can see like let me add bedroom size as, let me select this bedroom size, copy each, and here let's add bedroom size, and also let me add bathroom size. Let me copy each, and let's add bathroom size. And here you can upload the plan image. Like here, if I expand this, here you can see this is a plan image. So here let me select this image. So let me upload this plan image. So after selecting this image, and you can also add description. Here you can see this is the description you can add. Let me copy this description, and let me paste it over here. So that's how you can add all these details in floor plans. Okay, if you want to add another floor like second floor or third floor, here you can see this is the second floor. You can add all these details. Click on add more, and you can add second floor, third floor, and fourth floor. Okay, and let's select these property documents, and here you can upload your property documents like your era number and all property documents, map images, or any other documents that you customers require to see. Okay, and for privacy note, we don't need this, and energy class we don't need this. And let's select this layout option. Okay, and this is the layout option. You can select this layout property top type as global, and here we are having like a different versions like version 1, version 2, version 3. What these versions are? Let's go to this demo website, and here you can see this is a default layout. Default layout will look like this. Okay, here you can see from top to bottom. And if I select this property layout version 1, so it will look like this. And if I select this property layout version 2, so it will look like this. The image will be in full width. Okay, so it is having like versions is having different features. So here you can see this is a version 3, and let's select version 4, and here you can see this is a version 4 where all images will be displayed under this, and this is a version 5, and here we are having the slider, we can view the images. Okay, and this is version 6, and here I want to select only version 5. Let me select this version 5. Okay, now let me select this version 5, and here you can see we are having like property content type as layout, global, default, tabs, vertical, luxury homes. Here all these options are available. As for now, I want to make it as global only. I don't want to change anything. Okay, after that you can click on this rental details, and we don't need this make this option as default only. And you can also add additional features like let's go to this demo website, and here you can see these are the additional details like deposit. If I copy this deposit, and here we can add like title as deposit, and we can enter deposit as 25%. Let's add 25%. Let's add few more additional details like amenities. Let me select this amenities. Let me add this amenities, and here you can add amenities like clubhouse, gym. Okay, like that. Let's add like clubhouse, gym, swimming pool. Let's add like amenities like clubhouse, gym, and swimming pool. Click on add more. You can add few more details like equipment. Let me copy this equipment, and here let's add equipment, and here let's add equipment as grill, gas. Let me add here values. Okay, after adding all these details, you have to click on this publish option. Click on publish, and let's close this. Click on here. And after saving this, after publishing this, you have to select this property option, and here you can set the featured image also. What is this featured image? If we visit this home page, okay, here you can see these are all the villas or all the property details displaying. Okay, the first image what you are seeing in this property details, it is a featured image. Okay, you need to add featured image. Let me select this featured image, and let me add featured image this as my featured image. Set featured image, and if I scroll down, you can select the type. Let me select the type as villa, and if you want to add another types, you can add from here also. Let me select the status as for sale, and you can also select the features as like what features it is having, like air conditioning, gym, lawn, swimming pool, Wi-Fi, and you can also add another new features. Let's click on this labels option. Here you can select the label as like open house or odd offer. Okay, and you can also select the country. Let me select the country as India, and you can select the state as Telangana, and you can select the city as Hyderabad. Okay, you can also select the add areas also. Okay, and you can also enable property expiration also, so we don't require this option, okay, as per now. So after adding all these options, you have to click on the save option, or else you can publish the option. Okay, after publishing it, click on this preview option. So you can see you can preview the details over here. If you go to the backend of the website, if you click on this properties option, here you can see we have added the one property. Okay, if you want to preview this, you can click on this preview option. Okay, you can also change the versions. Okay, if I select this layout option, click on this layout option. If you select this global option, click on save, and let's visit this page, and let me click on refresh page. Here you can see the layout has been changed. Okay, you can also change this property content layout also. If I select this as default, let me click on this save option, and if I refresh this page, here you can see this layout will be displayed in different formats. And here you can see that's how we can add property details from the backend, from the admin dashboard. Okay, we have successfully added the property details. Now we will create a user account, or else like customer account, or agent account, or else agency account as per our requirement. So now I will create an agent account, and I will create a listing from using that user account. Okay, using that agent account. Okay, so let me copy this website link, and let me open that website in incognito tab. Let's open this website in incognito tab. So here you can see I have opened this website in incognito tab. Here you can see first we need to register our website. First we need to register as an agent in this website. In order to register, we have to click on this. Here you can see we are not getting like a register option icon, register icon. So few more settings we need to change. So let's go to backend of the website, and you need to select this theme options. Okay, you need to select this login or register option. Okay, this login and register, and you need to enable this login option, and you need to enable this register option, and login or register type should be always icon. Okay, after enabling these details, click on this save changes. And also one more settings, click on this user approval, and select this user roles option, and here you need to enable the registration option in order to customers or agencies should register their accounts. Okay, we will enable this option, and here we will enable user roles also, so they can select the roles like agency or agent or owner or buyer or seller. Okay, if you want to disable any of these roles like agent or agency, owner or buyer, you can enable them. If you enable this option, tick mark this option, that means this buyer option will not be enabled in the registration form. Okay, let me put all these options as default. After making these changes, click on this save changes option, and now let me visit the website. Let's click on refresh option. Let me clear the cache. After making the changes, you need to clear the cache. Click on purge all so that a cache will be cleared. So let me open the website in incognito tab. Let me refresh the website. Here you can see we are getting the user button icon. Okay, my account icon. If I click on this option, here you can log in, or you can click on this register option in order to register the new user. Okay, now I will register as user. Okay, register as agent in this website. let me add username. Let me add username as agent user3 and let me add email address. After adding the passwords, let me select my account type. Let me open this, click on this drop down menu. I will register my account as an agent, or else you can register an account as agency or owner or buyer or seller as per your requirement. Let me select as agent and click on I agree and click on register option. And now my user details has been registered successfully. So in order to upload listing from the front end, I have to create the agent account. Okay, now let me add my username. So after adding username and email ID and password, click on remember me, click on login. Here you can see I have logged into my this real estate website. Okay, and here you can see you can click on this my account option. This is icon user account option, and you can select this dashboard option. And from here, if you want to visit the site, you can click on this visit site option. Okay, and if you want to create listing, you can click on this create listing option. From this dashboard, you can check all the activities, whether how many properties you have uploaded, how many published, how many are pending, how many properties are expired, total leads, total inquiries, total deals, your activity in the website, your insights about your properties, what you have deals, the leads you got from the properties and the inquiries you got. Okay, and here you can select the property listing. All the listings you have created will be displayed over here. You can select this my profile option. Here you can replace your here you can change your email ID, first name, last name, all other details. You can upload your user profile also. Let me click on this user profile. So I have added this user profile. Let me scroll down. Here you can add your office number, WhatsApp number, okay, your address details, about yourself, your social media profile links and everything. After adding all these changes, you can click on this save changes option. You can also change your role from agent to agency or owner or buyer or seller, and you can change your password from here. Okay, so let me click on this create listing option. Here from here you can create listing. Okay, so now let me create a listing over here. So I want to add like a modern studio property title. So let me open this, let me copy this modern studio and let me paste it over here. Let me add description too. So let me copy this description and let me add description over here. And here you can select the type. Let me select the type as studio, and you can select the status as like for sale, and you can select the label as like hot offer, and you can set the price. Let me add the price as like 3 crores. Okay, and here after the price you can add like you can rent this or else you can sell this. Okay, here you can see here I am renting it. So let me add for rent. Let me add change the status from sale to rent. Okay, and here let me add rent as 30,000 per month. Here let me add month option. Here you can see it is having like month per month. Okay, after adding sale price and after the price, you can click on this next option, and here you can upload the media. Let me select and upload the media, and here you can see this is the studio images. Let me upload all these images. So if you are having any video URL, you can add that video URL over here. Okay, click on next, and here we will add these details like bedrooms, how many bedrooms are there. Let me add like 3 bedrooms. Okay, and let's add like 2 bathrooms, and area size. So here you can see, let me add area size as this 3780 square feet. Okay, and also you can add land area. Let me scroll down over here. This is a property size, land area. Okay, it's in like a square feet. Okay, and you can also add number of garages it is having like 1, and garage size as here you can see like 200 square feet. Let me add 200 square feet, and here you can add the property ID as RERA. So garage size let me add in square feet. Okay, and you can add a RERA ID like as per your name, and you can add year built. Let me add 2022, and you can also add additional details like equipment, like a gas grill. Here you can see these are the additional details like equipment. Let me type equipment, grill gas. Let me add another additional details as like amenities. Let's add clubhouse. Let me copy this clubhouse and let's add clubhouse. So after adding these additional details, click on this next option. Here you can add the features also, what features you are having. Let me select air conditioner. All these features I will select. Okay, and click on next, and after that you can add address location. So let me add as Hyderabad. So let me add area name as Hyderabad. Okay, you can add postal code as 5,13,000, and you can also choose the map where it is located, exact map location as per your requirement. Okay, after that click on next option, and here you can embed the 360 degrees virtual tour also. Let me click on next option, and here you can add the floor plan details also, like first floor and second floor. So if I scroll down over here you can see we are having floor plans like first floor and second floor. If I select the first floor, here you can see these are the options available. Let me copy this first floor, and here let me enter the title over here. Bedrooms means 2 and bathroom 1, and you can add the price as like 15,000. Okay, postfix as like per monthly. Okay, you can add monthly option. So here you can see This is the price, and you can select the square bedroom size, like a plan size square. Here let me select the size as 1267. Let me add 1267 over here. You can also upload the plan image. Let me click on this select image. Let me add this plan image. You can also add description. This is the description. Let me copy it and let me paste it over here. After adding the description, you can also add multiple floor plans, like second floor, third floor, like that. Okay, and after click on next option, and here you can also add like sub listings. As per now, I don't need any sub listing. Let me click on this next option, and you can also add private notes. Let me click on this submit property option. Okay, so here you can see we have successfully submitted the listing, and if you want to view the listing, you can click on this view property. Only you can view the property listing, like studio name and what is the monthly rent and address details for rent, hot offer. Okay, you can select these options like studio. It is having 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, square feet, additional details, and this property details and additional details. Okay, features, floor plan. Here you can check the floor plan. All these options will be visible in the front end. Okay, and if I click on this dashboard option, here you can see if you have created a what are the properties you have created, you can check the count over here, and this is one we have created one property and it is under pending. Okay, if I click on this properties option, here you can see I have successfully created a property and it is under pending. Only the main admin can approve this property. Okay, so let's go back to backend of the website. Okay, and here under real estate option, you need to select this real estate option. Click on this properties option. Here you can see this is under pending approval. If you want to approve it, click on edit option. You can check all the details what they have entered. Okay, like information, map details, property settings, media. Okay, contact information. If everything is okay, and if you are you can verify the details. After verifying the details, you can click on this publish option. Okay, click on publish. Now it's successfully published. Okay, let's go back. From here also you can approve it. Okay, by clicking on approve option. Okay, after published by, after it is approved by the main admin, let's go to the agent profile. Let me click on this refresh option. Here now it is showing pending. Let me click on this refresh option. Here you can see it is changed from refresh to approved. Okay, it is successfully approved. If you want to view this details, click on this modern studio option. Here you can see the property details has been approved. If you select on this property all properties option, so your property will be displayed over here. Okay, along with other properties also. Now we have successfully created a free listing. Okay, now if I click on dashboard option, here you can see we have created a free listing. You can also charge listing for future listing, like if you want your website should be, like if you want your property should be featured on the home page or also on the main page, like let me visit this homepage demo website. Here you can see these are the future properties. If you want your property to be featured on this page, you can charge the as an admin you can charge the amount like 2000 rupees per monthly to list to feature their listings. Okay, on the featured page. Okay, and also you can also create memberships, like everyone cannot upload any number of properties. You can limit the properties by creating the membership option also, like creating membership as free trial, free membership. Under free membership you can limit the number of properties upload, like create listing. Like under free listing you can put the limit of up to like 3 listings. Okay, now you can make the membership as free membership, gold membership, and premium membership. Okay, you can create like 3 types of memberships. In order to create memberships, we have to enable payment, integrate payment gateway in our website. As for me, when you are starting a new website, I suggest you to not create any membership. Okay, you can limit the number of listings as per your requirement. Only you can charge amount for the future listing on the front page of the website. Okay, in the featured section like this. In that way you can earn extra source of income. So if you want to create memberships, so let's go to this front end of the website. Let's go to the back end of the website, and here you need to select this themes option. Under themes option, you need to select this option called price and currency. Under price and currency, you need to enable this option, like it should be enabled, and here you need to change the currency symbol as rupees. Okay, you can type like a rupee symbol, copy this and paste that symbol over here, and after enabling this, click on this save changes option. And if you want to charge for future listing, here you need to select this members option, select this membership option, and here you can enable this. Like there are 3 types of membership option, like free, and if they want their property to be featured on the featured page, they need to pay for the featured feature. You can also select this free option, first free option. If they select free option, they can create their listings for free, and if they want their property to be viewed on this featured list, they need to pay the amount. Okay, and if you select this per listing, you can also charge amount per listing. Like if you enable this per listing option, you can click on this. If you enable this option as yes, and it is, if you enable this as if you are charging, like if anyone as to submit the listing in your website, if you can charge like 100 rupees per listing. Okay, if you select this option, if you select this free pay for featured option, they can pay the amount only their properties should be viewed on the featured listing. Okay, and also you can also add memberships option also. Okay, if you want to add memberships in your website, you can select this membership option, so that you can create like different memberships options, like a free membership. You can limit listings up to like 3 listings per user in the free membership, and you can add like a premium membership, standard membership, and you can increase the limit of the listings. Okay, first let me select this option, like pay for featured listing only. After that you can click on yes, and you can also like add the expiry date. 30 days it should be visible on the featured section, and after 30 days it will not be visible. Okay, now you can also add like number of expiry dates. You can also enable this if you want to auto delete that expired listing. Okay, and you can select the currency as, let me select the currency as INR. So I'm selecting from India, and you can charge for a future listing. You can charge like 1500 rupees if they want their property to be listed on this featured section. Okay, so let me type as 1500 rupees for future price. Okay, and here you can enable this PayPal, Stripe, and another checkout methods. So here let me select this live option. Live option means it is a live payment. If it is sandbox, it is the like a demo payment will be enabled. Okay, let me select this as live, and here you can select the terms and conditions pages. Okay, here you can see I didn't publish this privacy policy page, or else I didn't created the terms and conditions page. Let me keep it as empty. Click on this save changes option. If you want to, you can also add a privacy policy page over here. Let me go to this pages option. Here you can see, click on quick edit, and here you need to change the status from draft to published. Click on update. Now let me go to this themes option, select this membership option, and here under this terms and conditions you can select privacy policy page. Here you can see, let me select this privacy policy page and click on save changes. After adding this, you need to select this payment gateway option. Here we need to enable WooCommerce payment. In order to accept payments, we need to enable this WooCommerce option. Okay, so click on save changes. Through WooCommerce we are going to accept payments. Okay, by using WooCommerce only we will accept payments. If you are from India, you can accept payments through Razorpay, and if you are from other countries like UK, USA, you can accept payments from PayPal or Stripe. Okay, using those payment gateways. After selecting this WooCommerce option, click on this save changes option. And after enabling this, here you can see we need to install these two plugins like Houzez Woo add-on and WooCommerce plugins in order to accept payments from the memberships. Okay, memberships or else or from the for the future listing. Okay, after selecting this WooCommerce option, click on this save changes, and let's go back to plugin section. We will install these two plugins. Like first, let me copy this Houzez Woo add-on. Let me copy it, this text. You can click on this WooCommerce documentation option, how to install them, and you can read this documentation if you need it. This is a Houzez WooCommerce add-on plugin. We need to install in order to accept payments. Okay, now let's go to plugin section. Click on add plugin, and in the search bar type Houzez Woo add-on, and this is a plugin we need to install. Click on install now. After installing this, we need to install WooCommerce plugin. Type WooCommerce, install this plugin, WooCommerce plugin. After installing these plugins, click on this install plugins option, and we need to activate these two plugins like Houzez Woo add-on plugin and WooCommerce plugin. Let me select these two plugins. Click on bulk actions. Click on activate option, click on apply. Now these two plugins will be activated. After activating these two plugins, here you can see on the left side, you will see this option called WooCommerce. Please do select this WooCommerce option, and you need to select this settings option, and here you need to add your address. Like let me add a address as Hyderabad, city as Hyderabad, and country as India. Let me select Indian country and state as India, Telangana, and postal code. Sell to specific countries only. Let me select country as India. You need to select country as India. Ship to specific countries only, and you need to select country as, again, let me select as India. Okay, and after that here you can select the currency. I will select the currency as India INR. Okay, let me select India INR, and after that after selecting these options, click on this save changes option. Okay, and now let's go to this payment section. Before this, go to accounts and privacy section, and here you need to enable this option, accounts and privacy, enable login during checkout, and here account creation, you need to enable this option also. Sorry, first let's go to this payments option. Okay, in order to accept payments, you need to install these two plugins. In order to accept payments from Stripe, you need to install this plugin. In order to accept payments from PayPal, you need to install these two plugins. Okay, so let me click on this install now, and let me install this PayPal payments plugin also. And now if you're from India, we need to install like Razorpay payment gateway also. If you click on this more options over here, you will find this Razorpay option. Click on install now. So here you can see I have installed these 3 payments. If you want to accept payments from offline, you can select this take it off from offline and click on this enable this option cash on delivery. As per demo purpose, I am enabling this cash on delivery option. Okay, you can visit my website like BBSHARED web developer, and here I have created WooCommerce website designing of like 6+ hours. Okay, if you open this e-commerce website designing video, under the time code, please do select this option like set up payment gateways for online store. Okay, you need to select this option set up payment gateways for online store. Okay, 5 hours 18 minutes. Okay, in this section I have shown you how to integrate like a PayPal payment gateways like and also Razor payment gateway in this WooCommerce settings. Okay, you can follow the same settings as I have shown in this video. Okay, so I have shown you like how to create like PayPal account and how to create this Razorpay account and connect to our website. Okay, as per now, let me connect this Razorpay account. Click on complete setup, and if I scroll down here, you need to add like Canadian key secret and click on save changes. Okay, from using Razorpay account. So here you can see this is a Razorpay account. You need to create account from this website. After creating the account, you will get like a secret ID and key ID from Razorpay account. After creating the account, you need to copy those key ID and key secret, you need to paste it over here and click on this save changes option so that payment gateway will be enabled in your website. Okay, I have shown this complete step-by-step process over here. It will be like almost like 15 minutes video. So please do watch this video in my YouTube channel from the e-commerce tutorials. Okay, set up payment gateways for online store for the WooCommerce settings. Okay, so you will learn in-depth details. So I don't want to make this tutorial very lengthy. Okay, after watching the tutorial, you come to this payments option again. Here you can see I have successfully added KID and key secret for the Razorpay account, and also I have enabled cash on delivery. Okay, after enabling these 2 options, now go to this accounts and privacy section, and here you need to enable these 2 options like allow account creation should be during checkout and my account page also. Okay, enable these 2 options and scroll down, click on this save changes option, and here go to this advanced option. Under advanced option, you need to for the cart page you need to select cart page. For the checkout page you need to select checkout page. For my account page you need to select my account. For terms and conditions, select privacy policy page. Let me select this privacy policy page and scroll down and click on save changes. After these options, we need to go to this pages option and we need to customize few more settings. Here you can see after installing WooCommerce plugin, these pages will be created like cart page, checkout page, and my account pages will be created automatically. Okay, so after you need to select this cart page and click on this edit cart page. Here we need to change the template of this cart page. Okay, so you need to go to this default template option, select this template, and under template section, so here you can see this is the template. You need to select page template. Okay, and after selecting the page template, please scroll down. Here you will get like page sidebar. You need to select this page sidebar as none and click on this save changes option. Okay, and let's go back. And similarly, you have to do same settings for the checkout page. Let me click on this edit checkout page, and you need to select the template, click on this default template, and under the drop down, select the template as page template. You need to select this template as page template, and after that, you need to disable this page sidebar. Okay, and click on save changes. Now let's go back. Similarly, for my account also we have to do, click on this edit option, and here you need to select the default template as page template. Let me select this as page template, and under page sidebar you need to select this as none. Click on save changes. Now let's go back. Okay, now we have successfully customized these 3 pages. After customizing these 3 pages, let's go to this user account agent profile. Let me click on this refresh option, and here let me select this create option. I want this listing should be displayed in my featured section of my website over here, like featured section. Okay, if I want to display it in featured section, after enabling the payment gateways, here you can see you need to go to your all properties section, and here you need to select this 3 dots option, and here you will get an option called upgrade to featured option. Okay, let me select this upgrade to featured option. And one more thing we need to do in the settings, let's go to this backend of the website, and here under WooCommerce settings you need to select this settings option, and under site visibility you have to enable this to live and click on save changes option. You have to make this live. Okay, make it as live. And now let me open this page. Let me refresh this page. So here you can see after selecting this as upgrade to featured option, you will be redirected to this checkout page. You need to add your email address. Let me scroll down. You need to add all these details. Okay, let me add all these details, pin code also, and select this as cash on delivery, or else you can select this as pay by Razorpay. Okay, and after that you need to click on this place order option. Here you can see I have made the purchase for the future section. After that you can go to this home option, again dashboard option, and here, so after making the payment, and here you can see under WooCommerce settings under orders, here you will see this option will be visible. Okay, and this user has ordered these studio should be visible on the featured page. Here you can see it will get like star mark, and here you can see this is featured until March 6th. Okay, and that's how you can charge for the future section. Okay, let me select this themes option, and here let's select this membership option. And so previously we have added like a pay for featured. Okay, and also I have shown you like per listing also we can charge the amount, and now we can create like different memberships, like different packages. Okay, let me select this membership option, and you can also add like membership should be expired within 30 days or 40 days. You can enable this option too. Here you need to select this expiry date as no, and after that you need to click on this save changes option. Now let's create different packages. In order to create different packages like a free trial package, standard package, and premium package, you need to select this real estate option, and under real estate you need to select this packages option. Please do select this packages option, and here we need to create packages. So click on add package, and here you will see different packages. Let me add as first free package, and here the billing period will be like yearly. Okay, and here how many listings are included. Let's add like for free package, let's add like 3 listings. How many future listings are included? For free package we are using like 0 listings. Okay, and here the package price should be 0. Okay, and we will add this stripe ID as free. Is it visible? Yes, you need to select this as yes. And how many images are included per listing? Let's add like 6 images, and after adding this package details you need to click on this publish option. So after publishing it, and again let's select this packages option, and we will add another package. Let's click on this add package option. Now here let's add package as premium package. Okay, you can select the billing period as 1 year, and billing frequency should be every 1 year they can renew it. And how many listings are included? Let's add like 30 listings. Okay, and how many future listings are included? Let's add like 5 future listings are included. What is the package price? Let's add package price as 3,000 rupees. Okay, and stripe ID will be like a premium. Let's add like premium text. Okay, and is it visible? Yes, it should be visible. And how many included images are included? Let's add like 25 images. Okay, and is popular or featured? Yes, it is featured. So whenever someone take this package, so they will get featured, their properties get featured. Okay, and after that you can click on this publish option, and let me select this real estate and packages option. Here we are having like 2 packages, like free package and the premium package. Okay, now let me log into the user dashboard, like agent account. Let me log into the agent account. Let me click on new incognito tab, click on this user dashboard, and here we need to log in. And after adding email ID and password, click on login. And now I have logged into my dashboard. Let me click on this option and click on dashboard option. And here if I want to add listing, let me click on this create listing. In order to add a listing, I need to select a package. If I click on this get package, you can select any package. If you select this free package, it will be like you need to upload only like 3 properties, and there is only like 6 images. Okay, if you take like premium package, it will be available for 1 year. You can upload up to 30 properties, 5 future listing, and 25 images. Okay, let me select this get started, and let me select this premium package. So after adding all the details, you need to select this cash on delivery. You can pay with Razorpay. As per like a demo purpose, I am selecting cash on delivery and click on place order. So here you can see I have taken the like premium plan. Let's go to this dashboard option, and let me click on this create listing option. So now here you can see I can able to add packages right now after taking the premium package. You can select this membership option below here, and here you can see my membership is premium membership. Okay, I can upload up to like 30 listing. Okay, and if you come to this admin dashboard, click on this WooCommerce option, and in the order section, so here you can see the status is still processing. You need to select this order, and you need to change the status from processing to completed, and click on update. Okay, after the person has made the selected the membership, after the status has completed, so the agent can be able to create the listings. Okay, now you can create the listing, and you can upload the listings into the website. So as I shown in the previous video, like we can add title, content, and all the required details, and you can click on publish. Okay, and after adding the listings, the main admin will if you go to this properties option, the main admin will approve the property. Okay, so that your property will be displayed in the website. And that's how the agencies or agents or partners or customers, okay, buyers and sellers, they can create the account, they can join the memberships, and they can create the listings in this real estate website. Okay, Now I have successfully shown the all the features what we have to do in this real estate website. Next, let's start creating the front end of the website. If we visit this website, if I click on this visit site, here you can see in the home page we are having nothing, and we have to start designing this website. Let me open this demo website. Here you can see I will show you how to design this home page. Okay, now I will show you how to create this home page. Here you can see this is our home page. It's very attractive. Okay, I will show you how to create this home page section by section, each step. Okay, so in order to create a home page, we need to install a plugin called Elementor plugin. So when we install this Houzez theme, let's go to this plugins option. By default, Elementor plugin also installed along with this theme. When we install the plugins, here you can see this is Elementor plugin. Okay, after installing this Elementor plugin, we need to do few more settings. Here you can see this is Elementor option. You need to click on this Elementor option in the dashboard and click on this settings option over here under editor setting. Okay, and here go to this features option. Under features option, here you need to select this container option as active. Okay, you need to select this container as active, click on save changes. So these settings you need to do mandatory. Okay, and after let's go to general option. In post types also you can select like products, theme builder, properties, agencies and agents. You can enable all these options to click on save changes. Okay, after making the changes, now let's go to this pages option. Let's visit home page. Okay, this is a home page. Click on view option, open link in new tab. This is our home page, or else you can select for home page from here also. So after selecting the home page, you need to click on this edit page. In order to edit the website, in order to design the website, we need to select the page builder as edit with Elementor. Click on this edit with Elementor, and here click on this let's do it. Close this. Okay, here you can see this is Elementor canvas. By using this Elementor, and here on the left side we have many widgets like Elementor elements. Okay, by using these elements we are going to design the website like this. Okay, so in order to learn about the Elementor basics, you can visit my YouTube channel like BBSHARED Web Developer. You can visit my YouTube channel, and here in the video section, here I have made a dedicated video regarding Elementor basic tutorials. Please do watch this video. You will learn how to use Elementor page builder, what are the settings you need to set up in order to use the Elementor. Okay, and also I have taught you everything regarding the Elementor basics. Okay, and if you want to learn advanced tutorials, you can watch this tutorial like free WordPress website designing course. It is of more than 3 hours where you will become a pro in website designing using WordPress. Okay, so after watching the Elementor basics, here this is a canvas. First we will design website in desktop view, and later we will optimize in tablet and mobile view. Okay, and here first let's customize some settings. Here click on this Elementor logo on the left side, click on this site settings, and here I click on this global colors option. Here you need to enable this global colors option, and we will change this color options of our website. Okay, let me open this website, click on edit with Elementor. Let's change the color palettes. These color palettes we are going to use this in our website in order to design the home page. Okay, using Elementor. Let me copy this primary color and let me add this primary color over here. Okay, you need to add ash. Okay, and this is a primary color, and let me select my secondary color, copy it and paste it inside this. Okay, and text color should be black. Okay, and let's add another color. Click on add new color, and here let me add another color as white color. Let me copy the code, and here please do select this code, and it should be white color. Let me add as white. Let me type white, and after that next light black color. Let me copy this code, and here let me add as black, light black, and click on this color and let me paste this code, and this is light gray. Let me copy this code, color code, and let me click on add new color, select the color and add this light gray color, and let me add it as light gray. After adding these color palettes, click on this save changes. Okay, now let's go back, and in the global fonts, so in this entire website I want to use typography as Montserrat. So you need to enable this global settings. For primary font color, you need to select this font family as Montserrat, and this is a font family we are going to use in this website, and select the secondary color as Montserrat. Let me select this Montserrat, and let me select text as Montserrat, and also accent as Montserrat. Let me select this font family as Montserrat. Okay, after selecting these changes, click on this save changes option. Let's go back again and select this typography option, and here we need to add body text, link text and header, all headers Montserrat. Okay, for body text, click on this pencil icon, and select the font family as Montserrat, and again for link text, select this pencil icon and select the font family as Montserrat. Again select this header 1, again select the font family as Montserrat, select this header 2, select the font family as Montserrat, and select the header 3, select the font family as Montserrat, and select the header 4 and select the font family as Montserrat, and select the header 5 and select the font family as, again here let me select this Montserrat. Okay, and for header 6 also select the font family as Montserrat. Okay, After changing the font family, click on this Save Changes option. So after making the changes, please do close this option. And now we will start creating website step by step. Now select this plus icon and please do select this flex box. And you need to select this first option. Okay, this is a single container. Okay, and let me add layout minimum height as. Here you can see whenever I add any container over here in the layout section, you will get these options, and I will add minimum height should be 600 pixels, or else let me add like 500 pixels minimum height. Okay, so it will be 500 pixels height. Let me add 600 pixels. Okay, you can add 600 pixels height. Here let me add height as 585 pixels. Okay, and now go to style option and select the background type as classic. Here we need to upload this image. This is a background image. Okay, so let me click on this choose image. Let me upload that image. So I have given this image in the resources section. So now the image has been uploaded. Let me click on this select option. Here you can see the image has been uploaded. Let me click on this resolution as full, and here the position should be in center. Okay, and here the attachment should be default and repeat should be no repeat, and here select the display size at cover. Okay, after selecting this option, click on this publish option. In order to preview the changes, click on this preview changes option. Here you can see the image will be displayed like this. Okay, I have created this image by using this Google Nano Banana, Google Gemini Nano Banana. Okay, you can also create this type of images. And next here you can see we need to add this heading element. So click on this add element, and if you scroll down here you can see this is a basic option. This is a heading element. We need to just drag this heading element and drop it over here, and let me copy this text, and here you need to add this text like find your perfect property today. Please do select this option. So here alignment should be on the start, and here the typography, select the typography, and here weight should be like 600 pixels. Okay, and here click on this text color option and let me change it to primary color. Okay, and let me select this main container. Here you can see this is a structure. This is a main container M1, and inside this main container we are having heading element. Okay, for the main container I have added this background image. Okay, let's go to this layout option, and this content should be aligned in the center. Okay, and after making the changes, click on this publish option. In order to preview the changes, you can click on this preview changes option. Okay, it will be visible like this. Okay, so now let me increase this text size. Okay, let me select this element and click on this pencil icon. Let me increase the text size to like 60 pixels. Okay, and here after perfect you need to add shortcode like BR breakpoint. You need to add breakpoint, so it will be aligned in the second line. Okay, so let me go to style option and let me select the size to 50 pixels. Make the size to 50 pixels. Okay, so here the text size should be 54 pixels. Okay, after making these changes, click on this publish option, and in order to preview the changes you can click on this eye icon, so it will be visible like this. Okay, and next I will show you how to create this search builder. So here any customer who visits our website, they can search their required, like if they need like office or shop or apartment, and what is the status if they are looking for rent or sale, or how many bedrooms they need, how many bathrooms they need, and what is the minimum price they can spend, what is the maximum price they can spend. Okay, they can select the area, maximum area, property ID and all. Okay, so I will show you now how to create this. Okay, now in the search bar type search builder. If you type search, here you can see this is a search builder option by Houzez. Okay, you need to drag and drop this under this heading like find your perfect property today, and I will show you how to customize this search builder. Okay, here you can see in this search builder we don't require all these options like minimum price, maximum price, minimum area and maximum area and property ID. I want to remove all these options. Okay, I want to remove only these two options. Okay, these two options we can remove, and I can place only these options. Okay, now after adding this search builder, here you can see it is visible like this. Okay, let me select this first main container M1. Okay, and I want to align this everything to end. Okay, into the bottom area. Okay, they should be aligned to the end, and go to advanced option and add padding as like 20 pixels. Okay, dealing this padding, and for bottom add padding as 50 pixels. Okay, you can add padding as 100 pixels. Let's add 100 pixels padding here below this. Okay, here you can see we are adding like 100 pixels padding for this main container. Okay, so there will be some gap. Okay, so now first let me select this, and I want only, here you can see we are having like first search option. So here I want to add, click on add option. Here you can see, okay, here you can select the field as. So here you can see first we are having like search option, this search label. Okay, so here in this I don't need like you can have select. Here I want to add only, here I want to select only few options, like we need cities option, property type and property status, bedrooms, bathrooms, minimum and maximum price. I don't want this minimum area and maximum area, and also I don't need this property ID also, and this I need this search button, and I want to add one more option like this search by text. Okay, let's click on this add item, and in the field section you need to select this keyword option, and the label should be like keyword. So let's add label as keyword, and the placeholder should be search. Okay, so we will add this placeholder as search. Okay, and let me close this, and this keyword, this search option should be on the top. Okay, so let me drag it to on top. So I will place this on top position. Okay, I want this column width should be, it should not be 100%. I want this width should be like 50%. So if I add 50%, here you can see it is visible in like in 40%. So let me add this as 40%. I want to add the width as 40%. Let me select as 40%. Okay, here you can see we can select like city, all cities, all types, and all status. Okay, and after that we are having like cities option. If you want to build from scratch, if you are adding like a search builder from scratch, okay, let me close all these options. Okay, so first we have added this search option. Okay, search option. Next we will add this all types option. So click on this add item, and here in the fields you have to select this type option, and in the label you need to add like type, and here in the placeholder also we will add like all types. Okay, so that these all types will be visible. Okay, so I want this to be visible in after adding the placeholder text. Here you can see placeholder text has been added, and this column width should be in like 30%. Okay, so it will be in 30%. Okay, or else if you want to be in 20%, you can select 20% also, so it will be visible in 20%. Okay, and next if anyone select this option, these options will be visible like all types, like apartment or office or shop or studio. They can select their required option. Okay, and next here we are having like all status option, and again here let me click on add items, and here let me select the status field, and here you can add label as status and also placeholder as status. So I have added like a label as status and placeholder also as status. Okay, the column width should be, again let me select the column width as 20%. Okay, so it will be aligned on top of here. Okay, and next we will add like bedrooms. Let me click on this add item, and here you need to select the field type as bedrooms. Let me select this field type as bedroom. Okay, and here we will add label as bedrooms. So here I have added label should be bedrooms, and also placeholder also should be bedrooms. Okay, let me add column width as 20%. Okay, it will be aligned on top. Okay, here you can see all types, all status, bedrooms and bathrooms. Okay, let me select this search builder, and after this go to this content option. Let's add another option like bathrooms. As per now I don't want to add bathrooms because most people will search for only bedrooms and all. Okay, so in this I will add only search by text, all types, all status, bedrooms, and I want to add minimum price and maximum price and this search option. Okay, we will remove these four options. Okay, from here. So here let me click on add element, add item, and we will select this minimum price field. So here you can see minimum price. I will select this minimum price option, and here I will add label also minimum price, and let's add placeholder also minimum price. Okay, and the column width should be like 20%. Okay, here you can see it is 20%, and we will add another item. Let me click on add item, and let's select this field size as here you can see I will select this field size as maximum price. Let me add fields label as max. Okay, so let's I have added like label as max price, and also placeholder text should be max price. Okay, and the column width should be, it is also should be in 20%. So I want to add 20% width. Okay, so say they can select the list. Okay, and this is the minimum price. They can select the list up to like 50 lakhs. Okay, and next we will add this search bar. Okay, let me click on add item, and in the field option you need to select this search button. Okay, and I will add label as search and also placeholder as search. Okay, and the width should be let me add 50%. Okay, or else let's select I want to select the width should be like, let me select 40%. Okay, and here I want to add like minimum price and maximum price. Let me select this minimum price should be, width should be like 30%, and maximum price also width should be like 30%. So it is 30%, 30%, 60%, and the button will be 40%. Total it will be like 100%. Okay, and these are the details I want to put in this option. And now let's customize these options. Okay, after adding the fields, here you can select like input size should be small or extra small. Here you can select or medium, okay, or large as per your requirements. So let me add this as small size only, and also button size you can select the button size should be like medium or large as per your requirements. Okay, let me add button size should be medium. Okay, You can also enable this button icon. So here you can see the button icon will be enabled over here. So I want to disable this button icon. I want to add this search text only. You can also change the button alignment to left or center or to the right, or else you can justify it. So it will be visible in full width. Okay. You can, if you want to hide labels, you can hide the labels. If you want to enable the labels, you can enable these labels like a keyword, type, status, bedrooms, minimum price, maximum price. So I don't want to show these labels. Okay, I want to show these labels only placeholders in these options. Okay, so please disable this option and click on this tabs option. If you want to show tabs, you can enable this option, like you can add like all, for rent or for sale. You can add all these options also, so they can select these options as per their requirement. So as per now, I don't want to show these tabs. Let me disable these tabs. They can search from here. They can add the text like will, or they can select the required office types. They can select the status, and they can select the number of bedrooms they need and minimum price and maximum price. Okay, let me disable this option. Okay, so enable this option, show all tabs. Now let's customize the stylings of this search button, search builder. Let's go to the style option. Here you can increase the gaps between these items. So if you want to increase the gaps in the columns gaps, you can increase as per your requirement. Here you can see I have added like minimum like 10 pixels gap. Let me add 10 pixels gap. Okay, and for rows gap also you can increase the rows gaps between these. Okay, let me add rows gaps as 15 pixels. Okay, you can also add space between these labels. So I don't want to add any labels. Okay, and labels text color should be, so here we disable the labels, so we don't need this labels option. Okay, and here you can select the background type as white color. So here you can see background, we have added the white color. Okay, and I have added this border radius of 20 pixels for this. Okay, let me add border color should be white color, and let's add padding as 20 pixels, so that inside it there will be 20 pixels gap on top and bottom. Okay, if you want to add 30 pixels, you can add 30 pixels also as per your requirement. Here you can see I have added like 30 pixels, and you can add border radius as 20 pixels. You can also add shadow. Let me add shadow, box shadow, and you can select this color option. You can decrease the transparency. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, if you add box shadow. So let me click on publish option. If you want to preview the changes, click on this preview changes. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, and here you can see after adding all these options, you can also change the typography to Montserrat. So here we are already added Montserrat. Font family should be, let me add Montserrat. So here Montserrat font family has been added. Okay, now let me select this fields option. Here the text color of these fields, here you can see inside these fields, if I select red color will be visible. So I want to add light black color only. Okay, let me decrease the, let me add it at light gray, and you can add border type as solid, and you can change the border color to black color, so it will be visible in black color. Okay, here you can see the border, this fields border is in black color. I want to add border radius should be 36. Okay, it will be visible in capsule format. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, now the price slider, here you can see these are the options. The text color will be black color only. If you want to here I didn't added this price slider, so we no need to customize this option. Okay, let me select this black color only. Now let me select this tab style option. Here for these tabs, inside here you can see these are the tabs option. So for these tabs I don't want to change any option. Okay, when it is active it should be in red color. Okay, this option should be in red color, and tabs background color should be in white color only. Okay, as per now make these options as default for tab styles. Okay, and let's select this, let's customize this button option. Here you can see initially the button color will be in red color, so let me select the button color as red color. Okay, and the text color should be white color. Okay, and whenever we hover on it, it should change to background color, should change to black color, and text color should be in white color only, like this. Okay, and also I want to add border radius as 36 pixels, so that it will be visible like this. Okay, or else you can add like 10 pixels. Let me add 5 pixels. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, so I don't want to add any button, so here I didn't added any clear button, so we don't require this clear button. Okay, so after adding all these options, click on this publish option. Here you can see we have successfully, let me click on this preview changes. Here you can see we have successfully created this search builder. Okay, so whenever a particular customer visits our website, they can select the type, office type, they can select the status, for rent or for sale, and they can select the number of bedrooms, minimum price and maximum price they can spend. They can click on search option in order to search their required properties. Okay, here you can see we are having more gap in the bottom, so I want to add padding. I want to decrease the padding of this main container. Let me select this main container. Let me decrease the padding to 50 pixels in the bottom. Okay, let me click on publish option, and let me click on preview changes. Here you can see now I have added the padding of 50 pixels, so that the hero section will look like this. Okay, here you can see, and this is the website we have created right now. And also I want to add gap between these two elements. these two heading and this search builder. Let me select this main container. Let's go to this layout option. Here you can see the gaps between these elements. Let me add like a rows gap should be 50 pixels. Okay, there will be more gap between these two elements. Let me click on publish option. Click on preview changes, and here you can see we have successfully created our first section. This is our first section and this is our first section. Okay, and next I will show you how to create this second section, like this, like 100% satisfied clients, properties sold, 30 plus countries and all. So let's go to this Elementor canvas, and here click on this plus option and select this flexbox container. And here we need to, here you can see we are having like 4 elements, like 4 subcontainers we need for this in order to add 4 elements. So here you can see we can select the structure as 4 column subcontainer structure. Let me select this structure, and here select this main container and click on go to style option, and here select the background type as classic and select the color as red color. Okay, here in the structure you can see this is a container M2, and let me expand this. Here you can see this is a subcontainer 1, subcontainer 2, subcontainer 3, and this is a subcontainer 4. Okay, in this first subcontainer we are going to add this. Whenever someone visits our website, here you can see this counter will be visible like this. Okay, so here we need to add these counter elements. Click on this add element and type counter in search bar. Here you can see this is a counter option. Drag and drop it over here. Okay, and now in the starting number we need to enter 0, so it will start from 0 to 100. The ending number should be 100. Here you can see this is 100%. Let me add 100, and you can add number suffix. Suffix means percentage. So here you can see we are having percentage. And next, here you need to add title like cool number is there, no? So we will add title like satisfied clients. Let me copy this text, and here let me add title as satisfied clients. Okay, after adding these options, so animation duration will be 2 seconds. So it will take 2 seconds from in order to count from 0 to 100. Okay, and this is the starting number, this is the ending number. Okay, if you add like 300, so it will count up to 300 within 2 seconds. Okay, so let me add 100 only, 100%. Okay, now let's go to styling. Let's change the styling, and you can change the position to before or after, or onto the start, onto the left. Okay, let me select after option only, and you can align it to start or middle or end. Okay, let me align it to center only. Okay, now you can increase the gap between these two options, title gap, and you can increase the number gap. Okay, as per your requirements. Let me select this number option. Let me change the text color to white color. Okay, so here it is in white color, and here let me decrease the size of this 100%. So let me add percentage as 40 pixels, and the weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, now let me select this title option, change the title color to white color, and increase the size of this text to 25 pixels. Let me add 25 pixels, and weight should be like 600 pixels. Okay, it will be visible like this. Okay, weight should be in 500 pixels only. Okay, click on publish. So here I have designed one element. No, so after designing one element, you can copy this element and you can paste it in remaining containers. Let me select this third subcontainer, click on right click it, paste it, and click on this fourth subcontainer, right click it, paste it. Okay, you can design one element, and you can, because these 4 elements are similar, so you can design one element, and after that you can replace the remaining text in these elements. Okay, let me add as 650. Let me select this second element. Let me add ending number as 650, and here instead of percentage, let me add plus. Okay, 650 plus properties sold. So here I will add title as properties sold, and here 30 plus countries. Let me select this third element, and here let me add 30, and here let me add plus option over here. Let's add plus option, and here the title should be countries and cities. Okay, here you can see 30 plus countries and cities. And the last element, let's add years of experience. Let me copy this years of experience, and let me select this element, and here in the title section you need to add years of experience, and here instead of number should be plus, and here you can add like 12 plus years of experience. Okay, let me add 12 ending number. Okay, and here you can see on the top and bottom we are having padding for this main container. Okay, for this second main container, let me select this M2 main container. Let's go to advanced option. Here you can see you can add padding like 30 pixels on top and bottom. Okay, let me click on publish option after making the changes. Now click on this preview changes. Let me scroll down. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, whenever someone visits our website, the counter will start counting from 0 to 100%. Okay, their respective numbers. Okay, and that's how we can create this second section. And now let's design this third section. Here you can see where we need to add the heading element and description, and we will add this free consultation form, inquiry form. Okay, so now let's go to this website, and here you can see we need to add like 2 structure subcontainer over here. So let me select this plus option, click on this flex box, and here select this 2 column subcontainer structure. Okay, and after selecting this, here you can see we are having like this is, let me name it as main container 3. Under this main container we are having two subcontainers S1 and S2. Okay, let me select this first subcontainer, and here you can see the width of this first subcontainer is very large. So I will increase the width of this first subcontainer. Let me select S1. This is a subcontainer 1. Let me increase the width to like 60%, and let me select this second subcontainer, and this width should be 40%. Okay, and here you can see, let me increase the minimum height of this container, like let me increase to 500 pixels. Okay, and here you can see in the background we are having images. Okay, our like property images. Okay, so select this main container M3, go to style option and select the background type as classic, and here you can see you can add different images, or else you can also add slideshows and click on add images. Here we are having many property images. No, let me select these property images. I want to add these property images over here. Okay, let me select like 5 property images, create new gallery and insert gallery. Okay, so these properties will be visible in the background. Okay, and after adding these images, you can click on like a fade option or slide left option transition, or slide up transition, slide down transition. You can select any transition. Let me select fade option, and it will be 500 milliseconds, and background size should be, it should cover the entire container. Okay, and background position should be center. Okay, and after that we will add overlay. Here you can see we have added like white color overlay on top of this background. So let me select this background overlay and select the background type as classic and select the color as white color. Okay, let me, if you decrease the transparency, the images will be visible. Okay, you have to increase the opacity. Okay, the images will be lightly visible. Okay, slightly visible. Okay, let me add opacity as 0.75. Okay, that's enough. Here you can see in the background we are seeing the images, slideshow images. Okay, click on publish. Now in the first subcontainer we need to add this heading element. Okay, let me click on add element, and you can add like section title. So here in the Houzez elements we are having this section title element. Please do select this section title, and here we need to add this title. Let me copy this title, and let me add this title, get personalized recommendations, property recommendations, and let's add this subtitle. Let me copy this subtitle, and let's add these subtitles over here. Okay, after adding the subtitles, here let me select this first subcontainer and justify the content to center. Okay, now let me select this again, this element, section title element, go to style option, and alignment should be on the left. Okay, and let me select the main title as red color and subtitle should be in black color. Okay, and here section title, typography, weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, here you can see we are having 500 pixels. Let me increase the size of this text to like 45 pixels. Okay, and let me increase the size of this subtitle also to 18 pixels. Okay, you can increase the margin, main title bottom margin. Okay, so we can add gaps between these two elements. Okay, so I want to increase the opacity of this background. Let me select this main container, go to this background overlay. Let me increase the opacity to 0.85. Okay, click on publish option. Once you add these details, click on these preview changes. Here you can see, that's how it will look. Okay, now we will add this inquiry form. Okay, so in order to add the inquiry form, first let's add this title like get free consultation. Okay, so inside this I want to add another container. Click on this plus option. This is the container, drag and drop it over here. Okay, so inside this we will add first, let me add this section title. Okay, here you can see we will add this text as get free consultation as title. Let me add get free consultation as title. Go to style option, and the title main color should be in black color, and the weight should be in 500 pixels. Okay, let me decrease the size of this text. Okay, to get free consultation, let me add like 18 pixels size. Okay, and let me select this container like mini subcontainer 1 ms1. Okay, and let me add background as, go to style option, select the background type, add background as white color. Okay, after adding white color, let me select this text option, and here select this ms1 mini subcontainer 1 and go to advanced option. We will add padding as 50 pixels on top, bottom, and right side and left side. Okay, after adding the padding, now click on this add element, and we need to add contact form. Type contact form. Here you can see contact form will be visible, this Houzez contact form. Let me drag this option and drop it under this heading element. Okay, get free consultation heading element. Here you can see these are the options we want to add. Let me select this site title, and this site title should be aligned to left side. Okay, and let me increase the weight of this site title to 600 pixels. Okay, and here you can see you can select this contact form. Here you can add the fields like a field name, first name, full name, and email ID. If you want to add a phone number also, like click on this add element and select the field type as mobile option, so that they can enter their mobile name. Okay, here you need to add label as phone number. Okay, so phone number will be visible. So this should be after the email. Okay, let me change the position. Okay, it should be after the email, displayed after the email. Okay, and after adding inputs, size should be small only. I want to add input size should be small, and we will add these labels also. Here you can see on the placeholder, I want to add this placeholder should be text name should be phone number. Okay, after adding these details, you need to enable this labels option, and you can also enable this required mark option. So for this email ID, so here you can see we need email ID and phone number required. So you need to enable this required option for email ID and phone number is required. Okay, and name also, let me enable this option. And for message, we don't need required option. You can enable or disable as per your requirement. Okay, and now let's go to this submit button option. Here you can see this is the submit button option. You don't need to change anything for this submit button option. Okay, now let's select this email option. Here you can add your email ID. Whenever someone submits the contact form, these contact inquiry details will be sent to this email ID. Okay, and this will be the subject. Okay, you can also add like CC also to the emails that you want to receive. Okay, these two options, skip these two options. Okay, now let's select, go to the style option. We will customize the stylings. Okay, now here you can see columns gaps should be, I want columns gap should be, here we are not having any columns. Row gap should be 5 pixels. I want to add 5 pixels rows gap. Okay, and label spacing should be 0, and text color should be black color only, and mark color should be in red color only. Okay, and typography, I want to decrease the size of this text sizes. Okay, let me add 12 pixels, and weight should be like, I want to add weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, and background color should be in white color only. Okay, let's add background color as white color, and after adding these details, go to this fields option, and here the fields color should be in light black color. So let me select this as light black color. Okay, and after that, background color should be in white color only, and border color should be in black color. Okay, and here we will add border radius as 36 pixels. Okay, or else you can add border radius as 5 pixels as per your requirement, like this. Okay, so border color should be light black color. I don't want to add dark black. Let me add like light black color. Okay, like this. And let's go to this GDPR option. So we don't require this GDPR option. Let's select this button option. Whenever the button color should be in, primary color should be in red color, and the text color should be in white color. Whenever someone hovers on it, the color should change to black color, and text color should be in white color. And animation should be grow. Whenever someone tries to submit, it will be grow like this. Okay, this animation will be applied. After making the changes, click on this publish option. Here you can see I have added this border for these options. Okay, so here you can see I want to decrease the size of this phone number also. So let me select this fields option. Okay, go to this forms, drag the phone number to the top. Okay, expand this name option, and this column width should be 50%, and also phone number column width also should be in 50%. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, so name, phone number, email ID, and message. Okay, after they can submit these details. Okay, now please do select this first subcontainer, mini subcontainer 1, and go to style option. Here we need to add border radius as 20 pixels, and next we will add this box shadow. Let me add box shadow. Let me decrease the box shadow transparency. Okay, after adding this box shadow, click on this publish option, and let me click on preview changes to preview the changes like this. Okay, it will be visible like this. Okay, here you can see. You can also like enable this GDPR option like consent form. So in order to enable this consent form, select this inquiry form. So you can enable this consent form, like click on this enable this GDPR form, and it is required. And here in the GDPR agreement text, you can add this element. Okay, and here the text color should be in black color. Okay, then you can submit the consent, and they can click on submit. Okay, let me click on this publish option and click on preview changes, and here you can see it will look like this. Okay, so here I want to add padding inside these elements. So let me select this main container, go to advanced option. You can add padding as 50 pixels on top and bottom. Okay, so more space will be added inside this main container. Click on this publish option and click on preview changes. Okay, it will be visible like this. Okay, next I will show you how to create these featured properties for sale and rent. Okay, these are the featured properties. Okay, I will show you how to add all these details. Now let's go to this Elementor canvas, and here first let me select add one container. Let's select single container over here. Okay, and let's add margin as 50 pixels on top. Okay, and after that let's add this heading element. So click on add element. Let's add this section title, drag and drop it over here. Okay, let me copy this text, and let's add this title, future properties for sale and rent, and let me copy this description, and let me add as subtitle. Okay, and now let's style these options. Go to style option, and main title should be in red color, and subtitle should be in black color. Okay, and let me customize the size of this section title. So let me add 35 pixels, and weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, or else you can add 600 pixels also. I want to add only 500 pixels weight. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, now in order to add these featured properties, Now go to add element and select property cards. So here you can see we are having like different property versions, like property cards version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. If I select property cards version 3, so what are the properties we have added in the website, those all the properties will be visible over here. Okay, and here you can see these are the featured options. Okay, these are the featured properties. So what are the properties you have uploaded in your website, all the properties will be visible over here. Okay, you can select the layout like grid layout version 4 or viewpoint view 2 options or 3. Okay, you can add as many properties as you required. Okay, you can also select the thumbnail size as full size. If you want full size, you can select image variation version 3, version 2, version 1 as per your requirements. Okay, and then you can select sort by like ascending order or else descending order, and how many properties you want to display here. Okay, you can select the post status as active or sold. Okay, you can add load more option. Here you can see if I click on load more options, if there are more properties, so more properties will be loaded. Okay, let me select load more option. Here in this video, like in this tutorial, I have added only 2 properties, so that only 2 properties are visible over here. Okay, and also you can add filters like type. If you want to display only like apartment only, apartment will be visible. If you want to display only like office also, office will be visible. If you want to display like studio, studio will be visible. Okay, you can filter them as per your requirement. As per now, I want to keep all this as empty because I want to display all the properties what we have uploaded, whether it is a studio, like whether it is a apartment, office, shop or studio or villa. Okay, you can filter them, and you can also show or hide a few buttons. Like here you can see I don't want to show this agent options, so you can disable the like hide agent data and agent. Okay, if you want to hide expert, you can enable this, you can hide. So if you want to hide this details option, you can hide. If you want to hide this compare properties option, you can enable this. Here the compare properties option will be disabled. Okay, so as per now I want to add all these options, only I want to add this data and agent option. Okay, click on this publish option. After making the changes, click on this preview changes. Here you can see you can preview the properties like this. Okay, so what I will do here, let me select this and I will select the grid volume as like 4 columns like this. Here I will do one thing. Let me click on this add element. Let me add the one container. Okay, and inside this container, let me add 2 more containers. Let me duplicate this container. Okay, and let me select this first container, and direction should be row horizontal. Let me copy this and let me add this grid layout in this first subcontainer. Let me select this, and here let me select grid view as 2 columns. Let me copy it and let me paste it in second subcontainer, so that here you can see we are having like 4 property types. Okay, let me delete this option. So here 4 properties will be visible. Okay, click on publish. Okay, as per now I have added only 2 properties, so I want to display more properties. That's the reason I have duplicated only these properties. Okay, so there will be 4 properties visible. Okay, click on preview changes. Here you can see if I scroll down, you can see these featured listing properties. Okay, they are for hot sale or for rent or for sale. They can check all the details. Okay, and if you go to the styling option, you can style these options. You can increase the title of this property title. Okay, and you can change the color of this title. If you want to change the color of this title, you can select this colors option. Here you can change the color title to like red color. Okay, and address color should be in black color. Okay, and if you want to change the typography of this featured, for rent, hot offer, you can change all these options as per your requirement. Okay, and you can also add spaces between margin or spaces between these elements. Okay, as per your requirement, and you can add spaces between this address, meta icons and all. Okay, and this is a card box. I want to display all card box should be in white color only. I don't want to customize these options. Click on this image radius. So if you want to add image radius as 30 pixels, you can display like this. If I add like 5 pixels, it will be displayed like this. Okay, select this colors option. You can change the address of the color and icons color. If you want to change the icons color to red color, you can change the icon colors to, here you can see these icon colors change it to red color. Okay, and also you can change the labels colors to red color. Okay, I want to add these labels color as orange color only. Okay, you can change the items tools background. Here you can see these are the items tools background colors. Okay, items tools color should be in white color. Okay, these colors, and if I select this button, and this is a button details button, text color should be, initially the text color should be white color and background color should be red color. Okay, and border type should be none. I don't want to add any border. Whenever you hover on it, the background color should change to black color and text color should be white color like this. Okay, and pagination text color will be white color, background color will be red color. Okay, this button, here you can see this is the button. Okay, so whenever we hover on it, the button color should change to black color and text color should be in white color. Okay, so let me copy it, and for this let me click on paste style. So this styling will be apply to these elements also. Okay, click on publish option, click on preview changes. Here you can see these are the featured properties. Next, after designing this, next we will design this section. Okay, and I will show you how to add this free home valuation form. Okay, so if anyone wants the valuation for their property details, they can submit their address details, city, zip code, first name, last name, email ID, and they can submit this inquiry form. Okay, home valuation form. So I will show you how to add this section. First, let's go to this Elementor canvas. Let me select first main container, and here let me increase the height of this main container to like 600 pixels height. Let's add 600 pixels height, and here you can see in the background we are having the image. So I want to add this image. So let me select this main container. Here you can see, let me select the structure, and here let me add M4, and this present main container should be M5. Okay, let me select this main container, and let's go to this style option. Background type should be classic, and let me add that image. So I have given this image in resources section. You can download this image. Please do select this image. Okay, so now the image will be in full resolution, and position should be center, and it should not be no repeat, and display size should be cover. It should cover entire container. Okay, after adding these details, now let me add this inquiry form. So in order to add this, let me add one container inside this. Okay, so I have added sub container, and go to style option, and this sub container background color should be in white color. Okay, and let me go to this border option, and border radius should be 20 pixels, and let me add box shadow. Let me decrease the transparency of this box shadow, and this box shadow, these subcontainer should be aligned to the bottom. Okay, let me select this main container 1, go to layout option, and it should be aligned to end. Okay, here you can see it is aligned to end. Let me select this subcontainer 1 S1. Let me add it as S1, and go to advanced option, and dealing this margin, bottom margin should be 50 pixels. Okay, there should be gap between below this subcontainer. Okay, now inside this subcontainer, let's add this heading element again. Click on this add element, and here let me select this section title. Okay, let me add the title as get your free home valuation today, and let me add description also. Let me copy this description, and let me add this subtitle over here. Okay, and go to style option. Here select the alignment to left, and before that select again this subcontainer 1, go to advanced option, and add padding as 50 pixels inside it. Okay, so there will be gap inside there. We can add space inside this subcontainer. Okay, and now let me select this title option, go to style option. Here section title weight should be in 500 pixels, and let me change the main title color to red color, and subtitle color should be in black color. Okay, after adding these details, now let's add this inquiry form. Click on this add element and type contact form. So if I add contact form, here you can see this is a Houzez contact form. Let me drag and drop it under this heading element. Okay, here you can see this is a contact form. Let me select this contact form, and here you can see first we need this address. Okay, so I want to add address. So let me click on add item, and here you need to select the field type as address, and label should be address, and placeholder also should be address. Okay, and now let me drag it onto the top. Okay, let me place the address on top. Okay, here you can see I have placed this address on top. After placing the address, next we should have like city and zip code. Let me click on add item. Field should be city, add label as city, and placeholder also as city. Okay, and it should be placed under this address. Okay, and here let me select this address option. The address width should be 60%. Okay, and after that the city column width should be 20%. Okay, and next we will add this zip code option. Let me click on add item, and select the field size as zip code or postal code. Add label as zip code, and placeholder also as zip code. Okay, let me drag it to on top, and let me select this, and this column width should be 20%. So it will be placed after this city. Okay, and now next we need to add like we will add only name, email ID, and click on submit. Okay, I don't want to add this first name, last name. Okay, let me remove this message option. Let me delete this message. Okay, let me select this name option, and it should be like 33%. Name should be 33%, and also email ID also should be like 33%. Okay, and submit button, it is also should be in 33%. So here the submit button will be displayed over here. Okay, after selecting all these details, we need to customize these options. Okay, let me expand this email ID. Here you need to replace your email ID, like where the form should receive. Here you need to add your business mail ID, so that whenever someone submit this form, so that form will be redirected to this form. Inquiry form will be sent to this particular email ID. Okay, and you can skip this redirect and webhook option. Go to style option, we will style these options. Okay, now label text color should be in black color, and here I want let me select this label text color in black color and select the typography, and here the weight should be like 500 pixels. Okay, and let me decrease the, let me select this label color as light black color. Okay, and now let's select this field option, and fields text color also should be in light black color. Let me add a light gray color. Let me add light gray color for this label text color fields option, and here border color should be in black color. Okay, here you can see, and let me add border radius as 5 pixels. Okay, it will be visible like this. And here in the address section, let me expand this. Here you can add like label as property address. Okay, so this text will be visible over here. Okay, let me click on this publish option. Here you can see it is having like no gaps between these two elements. So let me select this sub container, go to layout option, let me delink these gaps, so there will be 0 gap. Let me select this site title and let me decrease the bottom space. Let me add 0. Let me add 0. Okay, let me add subtitle bottom margin as 10 pixels. Okay, there will be less space between these two elements. Okay, and now let me select this inquiry form. We need to customize this submit button also. Let me select this submit button, go to style option and select this button option, and button color should be in red color, text color should be in white color. Whenever someone hovers on it, background color should change to black color and text color should change to white color, and animation I will select grow option. Okay, whenever someone tries to enter this inquiry and submit, so animation will be added to this button. Okay, let me click on this publish option. So now we have successfully created this section. Click on preview changes in order to preview the changes. Let me scroll down. Here you can see this is a inquiry form. Okay, home valuation inquiry form. Next I will show you how to add this section, like why choose our real estate services. Okay, these boxes, let's go to this and let me add another main container. Let me select this single main container and let me name it as M6. Okay, and here first we need to add this option like site title. Again, click on add elements and we need to select this section title and we will add this title. Let me copy this text and let me add title as why choose our real estate services. Go to style option and here change the title color to red color and select this title and let me add the weight as 500 medium. Okay, so now let me add space on top. Okay, in order to add space on top, let me select this main container 6, go to advanced option, delink the margin, and on select this top margin as add 50 pixel space on top margin. Okay, or else let's add 80 pixels on top. Under this we need to add these elements. Okay, in order to create these elements we need to use elements called icon boxes. Okay, let me close this structure and here select this add element option and here type icon box. So here you can see you need to select this icon box like Houzez icon box, drag and drop it under this. Okay, and now we need to add items. Click on add item. Okay, and we need to add this content like smart property management. Let me copy this content and here we need to add title here, title as smart property management, and let me select this description and add this description in text section. Okay, here you can see we are having like this icon is size is very, here you can see we need to decrease this icon size. Go to style option and decrease the icon size to like 25 pixels. Okay, and here the typography should be, and we will change the typography to 500 medium. Okay, here we will change the icon type. Let me select this icon type as font awesome, and here you can click on this icon library and here font awesome brand. Here you will find lot of fonts available over here. Here you can find like a lot of icons are available. You can select any icon as per your requirements. Okay, so as per now I will select few icons. Okay, or else you can also upload your own custom icons. Okay, you can download and you can add custom icons as per your requirement. So as per now I am selecting these icons. Okay, after selecting these icons, go to style option and here let me change the icon color to red color and here let me increase the icon color to 35 pixels. Okay, and now let's go to content option. Here I need to change few more content. Okay, after adding this content option, so let me add this content and go to style option, and after adding this icon, go to style option and change the color to let me add this black color only, and text color should be primary color, this color should be red color. Okay, and secondary color read more text color should be in black color. Okay, this description color also should be in black color. Okay, so after adding the content and customizing the content, let me duplicate this like 6 times. Okay, so that 6 elements will be 6 icon boxes will be visible like this. Okay, now let's replace the content in these boxes. Okay, let me copy this expert buying and selling support. Let me add it in title. Okay, let me copy the description. Let me add the description. So I will add all the details. I will replace all the details. Okay, here you can see I have replaced all the content and description and icons also. Okay, after adding all these details, click on this publish option, click on preview changes. Here you can see we have changed these options. Okay, now after adding these icon box content, Now let me select this content boxes styles. You can select different versions of this content. Okay, you can select version 1 or version 2, and version 2 will be displayed like this, and this is a version 1. If you want to display in 4 columns, you can display it in 4 columns. Okay, or you can display in 3 columns. Okay, you can also add a border radius, so whenever you hover on it, so here you can see border radius is applied to these cards. Okay, let me add border radius as 0, so it should be in box color, box type only. Okay, so after making changes, click on this publish option. Okay, click on preview changes in order to preview the changes. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Next, I will show you how to add this real estate agent section. Okay, so now let's add another section, another container. So after adding another container, go to advanced option. Let's add margin as, let's add padding as 10 pixels. And here dealing this, and let's add padding as 60 pixels on top. Go to style option, go to background type. We will add like light gray color background for this. Okay, let me change the background color. Add this like ash FO F0 F0 F0. Okay, so it will be in light gray color. Okay, here you can see. Please do select this main container also. Go to advanced option, and here add 10 pixels padding. Dealing this, and bottom you can add 50 pixels padding below this. Okay, or else let's add 80 pixels padding. Okay, and let me select this main container again. Go to structure. Here you can see this is main container 7 M7. Okay, and now we will add site title again. Let me drag and drop this site title, and let's add this content like meet our professional real estate agents. Can add this title, and let's add this subtitle also. Okay, already we have added this here title and subtitle. No, let me copy this section title, and we need to paste the same styling to this site title also. Let me right click and click on paste style. So whatever the styling options I have added to this site title, this section title. So whenever you click on this paste style option, so those style settings will be pasted to these settings also, to this section also, to this element also. Okay, so I don't need to again go to style option. I don't need to adjust the size of this text, or else weight of this text, color of this text. Okay, you can just copy and paste it, because in this website you need to have continuity. Whatever the headings you are adding in the website, all the heading sizes should be same. Okay, na? Same size, same color should be added. Okay, below this, now we need to add this agent section. Okay, now so in order to add this agent details, let me select this plus option and click on this flexbox container, and select this 4 column subcontainer structure. Okay, and again select this top subcontainer and add this same color combination to this container also, main container. Select this main container, click on this style option, and select the background type, background color as F0 F0 F0. Okay, so these two background colors will be matched. Okay, and after that, let me select this main container, go to advanced option, add padding as 20 pixels, and dealing this, add bottom padding as 80 pixels. Okay, there will be more space below this container. Okay, and now let's create this agent section. In the search bar, type image box. Here you can see this is the image box. You need to drag and drop this image box in this first subcontainer. Here you can add the agent images. Let me click on this choose image, click on upload files, select files. Let me add all these agent images. Let me select this agent image, click on select. After that, let me add this agent name, add this agent name title and description about this agent. Okay, you can add description like this. If you want to add more description, you can add this more description too. You can add space and you can add more description. You can add breakpoint over here. Okay, so it will be visible like this. After adding these details, you can also link the agent details like a agent profile. Here, if you go back to this WordPress dashboard, go to this, select this real estate option and select this agents option. Here you can see there are many agents are available. As per now, we are having like 4 agents. So you can click on this view profile option. This is a agent profile. Okay, or else you can click on this view profile option and here you can see this is a agent profile. Okay, you can copy this agent profile and you can copy the link of this agent profile, or else if you go to the backend, if you select this agents option, here you can see this is a view option. If I right click on it, you can copy the link address. Okay, after copying the link address, you need to add this link address to this in this option. Okay, in this link section, whenever someone clicks on this profile, so it will be redirected to this agent profile section. Okay, so let me select this. You can also add button element inside this element. Let me type button option and here you can see this is a button option. drag and drop it under this. Okay, and here you can add like view profile, and you can add agent profile link also over here. Okay, after adding the link, go to style option. You can change the position to center, and text color should be white color, and background color should be red color. Whenever someone hovers on it, background color should change to black color, and text color should be in white color. Okay, it will be visible like this. You can also decrease the size of this button. Let me add size of this button as 13 pixels. Okay, after adding these details, click on this image option, and here let's go to this style option, and alignment should be in the center, and go to this image option. Image width should be large. You can increase the width of this image to full width, and let me select this content option and select the content color name color to red color. Go to the typography and decrease the size of this name to 16 pixels, and weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, and here description text color should be in black color, and let me decrease the description size. You can decrease the description size. Okay, and go to this advanced option. You can add padding of 20 pixels on top left side and the right side as per your requirement. Okay, so it will be visible like this. After adding these details, whenever in the demo website, here you can see whenever you hover on it, it is popping up like this. Okay, this animation is added, this effect is added. In order to create this effect, let me select this first subcontainer. Inside this is M8. Inside this, let me select this first subcontainer. Go to style option, and here background color should be white color. Let me select white color background, and whenever someone hovers on it, it should change to white color too. Okay, and select this border radius. Whenever someone hovers on it, let's go to this hover option. Let me select this. Under the border radius, you select this hover option, and you can add box shadow, decrease the transparency. So in normal, we don't have a box shadow. Whenever someone hovers on it, box shadow will be added, this effect. Okay, let me increase the transparency. Okay, and after that, you need to go to this advanced option. Under this advanced option, you need to select this transform option, and whenever someone hovers on it, it should be scaled. Okay, you need to increase the size of this container. Let me add 1.1. Okay, let me add 1.0.1 or else 0.5. So it will be expanded like this. Okay, so here you can see it is expanding like this. Okay, after adding these details, let me copy this element and paste it in second subcontainer, third subcontainer, and fourth subcontainer. Okay, let me copy this button element and paste it in second subcontainer, third subcontainer, and fourth subcontainer too. And after that, we need to apply this styling to remaining subcontainers also. Let me copy this subcontainer and select this second subcontainer, right click, and you need to click on this paste style option. So this styling will be pasted for this, and paste style, and select this fourth subcontainer, right click it, paste style. Okay, so let me click on this publish option, click on this preview changes. Here you can see whenever we hover on it, it will be expanded like this. Okay, this effect will be added. Okay, now we can change the content of these elements. Let me select this second content, choose the image and replace this image and change the name to Lena. Okay, now select this third image, third element, change the image, and let me change the name to Rosie. And let me select this fourth subcontainer, change the image, and name should be David. Okay, after adding this, click on this publish option. You can change their profile links. Okay, you can go to this backend and you can click on the right click on view option. You can copy their link address, like their profile links, and you can add their respective profile links in this button section. Okay, so if they want to view the profile, they can click on this view profile option. They will be redirected to their profile option. Here you can see, if I click on this view profile, this is their agent profile. Okay, how many properties they have uploaded, how many reviews they got, about their profile and what language they know. Okay, and about agent license, tax number, and everything will be visible in the agent profile section. Okay, so here you can see whenever someone creates their agent user accounts, they need to add all the details regarding them. Okay, so then only all the details will be visible in the agent profile section. Okay, so now we have successfully created this section, and now let's add this explore property by category option, like apartment, office, shop, or single family house, studio, or villa. Okay, let me select this single container, click on this plus option, select the flex box, and here let me select this single container and go to advanced option, and during this add margin on top as 80 pixels, and again we will add this site title, like section title. Let me copy this title and let me paste it here in this section. Okay, let me delete this and let me replace the text by explore properties by category. Let me replace this title by explore properties by category. Okay, under this we need to add these types. Okay, here you can see, if you go to this real estate, if you go to the backend, and please do select this type option. Here we have added like different types, like apartment, office, shop, or studio, or villa. Okay, so in order to add these options, select this add element, and here type Houzez grids option. Okay, this is the element we need to use. Just drag and drop it under this site section title. Okay, here you can see in this website I have created only like I have uploaded images of these two options only. So after adding this element, here you can select this element. You can select the grid versions also. Grid version will look like this: grid version 2, grid version 3, like grid version 4. Okay, you can select as many types as you want. Okay, you can select the types, and if you want to display only types, you can select this types option. If you want to display status, properties will be displayed. If you want to display countries option will be displayed over here. Okay, so here we have added only like two types, like studio and villa. Okay, in this demo website we have added like more than 17 properties, three offices, 3 shops, like single family home, studio and villa. Okay, here you can see if I select this option here, this is a grid version 2, and if I select version 3 will be visible like this, and if I select grid version 4, it will be visible like this. And you can also select types. If I select status option, so this is the status option, and if I select label, so hot offer and open house, and if I select country option, country will be visible. If I select the state option, states will be visible. Okay, you can add anything as per your requirement. Okay, let me select this types option as per now. Okay, so this is a grid version 4. Okay, or else you can manually add this design these options too. Let me delete this Houzez grid option. Okay, let me enable this option. Let me select another version. Let me select grid 1. Yeah, so let me select this grid 1 option, and under this let me add another container below this. Okay, under this container let me add 3 more sub containers. Okay, let me add this another mini sub container. Let me duplicate it 2 times. Okay, and let me select this main container, and I will change the direction to raw horizontal. Here you can see we are having like 3 sub containers. Under this I will add image element in each sub container. Let me type image option, image text, drag and drop it under this. Okay, you can add any image of this villa. So first let me select this villa option. Okay, you can select the type as villa. Let me click on add element. Let me add search for heading. Let me add heading as villa. Let me type villa. Okay, and go to style option, change it to center, and text color should be in red color, and select the typography, and weight should be 500 pixels. Okay, and let me decrease the weight of this to 30 pixels. Okay, after adding this text, let me select this image option. Here you can select the image resolution to full. Okay, after adding this, you can copy it and paste it over here, and paste it in third subcontainer also. Copy this text element, paste it in second subcontainer, paste it in third subcontainer too. Let me select this second subcontainer and change the option to like studio. Let me select this studio image. Okay, and let me add here. You can select this resolution to, let me select another image. Okay, and let me type it as studio. Okay, and here let me select this third element, choose element, and you can select this option as, let me select this image. Okay, let me select this image and let me add this as apartment. Okay, you can add these options. Okay, after selecting this, you can link this image to particular types. Let me go to backend. Let me here, you need to select this real estate option, and here you need to select this type option. Okay, here you can select this apartment. If you want to view apartment, let me click on this view option and right click on it and copy the link address and paste that link address in this image section. Here you need to enable this custom URL and add this link. Okay, and let me go to backend. Let me copy this office URL, office type URL. Sorry, let me copy this studio type URL, copy this studio URL, and here select this image and link change to custom URL and add this link. And let me select this apartment. Let me select this apartment, copy the link address and go to this website and select the image and change it to custom URL and add the URL link. Okay, whenever someone visit the website, if they want to view all the apartment details, they can click on this image. Okay, click on this publish option, click on preview changes. If anyone wants to view the if they want to view the categories, they can click on this villa option. So whenever customers visit the website, if they want to explore properties by category, if they want to view only the studio properties, they can click on this image, studio image. So here you can see I have added only one property, so only the studio property is visible over here. Okay, if you go to this website, if I click on this apartment option, here you can see whatever the apartments I have added in this website, all the apartments will be visible in this apartment section. Okay, and that's how you can create this section by explore properties by category. Okay, this section. Next we will add this testimonial section, and now let's create this testimonial section. Let me add another container and let's go to this advanced option. Let me delink this margin and add margin as 80 pixels. Okay, so there will be more gap between these two elements. Let me select this structure and this container name, let's name it as M9, and this last container container. Let's name it as M10. Okay, and now let's add this heading again, heading element. Let me copy this explore properties by category. Let me copy the text and let me paste it over here. Let's replace this text with the testimonials. So let me paste it, and let me copy this subtitle, and let's add this subtitle over here. Okay, so let me click on this publish option. So in order to add testimonials in the reference website, here you can see when any clients or customers add testimonial, those testimonial will be visible over here. So here you can select, you can type like testimonial. So here you can see we are having like Houzez testimonial version 1, version 2, version 3. Let me select this version 2. Let me drag and drop it under this title, and here you can see we don't have any testimonials, we didn't add it in this new website. So let's click on this publish option. Let's go to backend of the website. Here you can see on the backend here you will find this testimonial option. Click on this add new testimonial, and we will add testimonial by default. By manually we will add this testimonial. Let me copy the heading, and here let me add this title. Sorry, let me add his name and the text. This is a testimonial text he has given. Okay, you can also add position, like this is a company name, and you can add company and position as CEO. Okay, you can also add their images. Let me click on add image. Let me add this image. You can also add a company logo. So right now I don't want to add this company logo. Like, let's click on this publish option. Okay, now again let me add another testimonial section. Let's add another name. Let me copy it. Let's add name, position manager, and let's add company name over here. Let me add image. Let's add this image, and let me add this text. Let me copy the text and let me add this text over here. And after adding these details, click on this publish option. And now let's go back to this Elementor section. Let me refresh the page. So after adding the testimonial sections, here you can see those testimonial sections will be visible over here. Okay, let me select this element, testimonial V2. You can also select like a grid columns 2, grid columns 4 as per your requirement. Okay, you can also select the slide option. Okay, you can slide the testimonials. Okay, let me select this slide option only. Okay, and ordered by, you can select the order by IDs or title, and you can select the ascending order or descending order. Go to style option. You can now we will add the background color as light gray color, or else you can decrease the light gray. Okay, and the icon color should be in red color. Okay, and here you can add the typography, increase the typography text. Okay, let me increase the typography text to 15 pixels. Okay, the text color should be in black color, and let's select this container. You can also add border radius of 20 pixels for these containers. Okay, you can also add box shadow. Let me decrease the transparency of this box shadow. This is a padding, sorry. Okay, you can add border radius as 20 pixels, so it will be visible like this. Okay, go to image option. You can increase the image size also. So as per now, I want to make this image as default. I don't want to add anything. Go to name option. You can change the name to red color. So here in the testimonial section, here select this testimonial, click on edit. Here I need to add the name. Okay, name of this person like Roy. Let me add name of this person as Roy. Click on update, and here let me click on publish option. Click on refresh, and his name will be replaced. Let me scroll down. Here you can see this is the testimonial section. Okay, you can go to style, select the container, and this is the image, and this is the name option. I have changed the name. You can also decrease the weight of this name to 500 pixels. Okay, and this is the title. You can change the title to light black color. This is the company name, title means. Okay, after making these changes, click on this publish option. Let's click on preview changes. If I scroll down, here you can see this is the testimonial section. Okay, and next here you can see we are having like a company brand names, brand logos. In order to add brand logos, you can add this new container option. Go to advanced option, delink the margin, add margin as 60 pixels. Okay, and click on add element. Here type image carousel. So this is the image carousel you need to use. Let me drag and drop it over here. Okay, let me select this main container, and let me add main container background as like black color. Let me select this image carousel. Let me name it as main container name as M level. Okay, let me select this image carousel. Let me select this main container again. Go to advanced option. Here add padding as 50 pixels. Okay, now let's select this image carousel. Let's add these brand names. Click on add element, upload files, select files. So initially I have added all these logos. Image resolution should be full, and slides to show should be like 5. Okay, and let's select scrolled. It should be scrolled by 1. Okay, 1 by 1. Go to additional option. You can enable this autoplay, pause on hover. Go to style option. The arrows position should be outside. Okay, and you can increase the arrow size, and page nation should be outside, and page nation color should be in white color. Whenever it is active, it should be in red color. Go to image section. It should be aligned to center. Increase the space between these elements. Okay, now here I want to add like slides to show. It should be like 6. Okay, click on publish option. So all the logos will be displayed here. Or else you can change your branding colors also, like red color. You can add red color over here, and whenever it is active you can change to like black color. So whenever active one will be shown in black color. Okay, click on publish option. Click on preview changes. If I scroll down, here you can see we have successfully created the home page in desktop view. Okay, this is the entire our real estate website, which looks professional and attractive. Okay, now we have designed this website in desktop view. Now we need to customize this home page in tablet view and the mobile view. We have to do like mobile optimization, like okay. So now after customizing the website in designing the website in desktop view, you need to select this tablet view option, and here you can see in the tablet view it is visible like this. Okay, we need to customize in tablet view. Okay, first let's select this text option, this title. Go to style option. Here you need to select this typography and decrease the size of this typography, okay, to 35 pixels. And let me select this image, and here go to style. Let me select this main container 1, and here you can see image resolution should be full, and here image should be aligned to top left side. Sorry, let me select this display size to custom option, and here you can increase the width of this image to 725 pixels. And let's go to this main container layout, and you need to decrease the height of this container like to 450 pixels. Okay, it will be visible like this. Okay, and now let's select this container section, second main container. Select this counter option and go to style option. We need to decrease the number size. Let me select this number size to like 20 pixels. Let's add 20 pixels. And now let's select this title option, select this typography, and decrease the size of this satisfied client's text to like 16 pixels. Okay, let me add 15 pixels. After adding this, let me right click and copy this, and let's select this second subcontainer element, right click and paste the style. When select this third element, paste the style, and select this fourth element, click on this paste style option. Okay, here you can see you can adjust, you can customize the styling for one element, and you can paste stylings for remaining elements. Okay, if they are same elements. Okay, now let's select this heading element. Go to style option and decrease the size of this heading element. Okay, let me decrease the size of this heading elements to 25 pixels, and also let's decrease the size of this second subtitle also to 13 pixels, and let's decrease the bottom space between these two elements. Okay, now let me select this mini subcontainer 1, go to advanced option, let's add padding as 10 pixels only. Okay, and let me select this main container, go to layout option and decrease the size of this height should be like 300 pixels. Okay, and here let me select this second subcontainer, let me increase the width of this, let me select this percentage, and let me increase the width of this second subcontainer to 70%. Okay, and let me select this first subcontainer, let me decrease the width to, let me select this as percentage and decrease the width to like only 40%. Let's add 40%. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Let me select this heading element, let me decrease the size of this heading element to, let's decrease the size of this heading elements to 15 pixels, and let's decrease the subtitle also to 10 pixels. Okay, after making these changes, let's go down, and here you can customize these settings also. Let me select this option. Here you can select this main container. Okay, after selecting this main container, you can change the direction to row vertical, so this will be aligned in this format. Okay, this main container, this sub container. Okay, you can change the direction, and for this section we don't need to change anything, and for this section also we don't need to change anything, and for this section also we don't need to change anything. We can decrease the size of this description. Go to this content option, decrease the size of this description to like 8 pixels. Okay, and decrease the line height between them to 1.3. Let me select the pixels, and you can decrease the size to like 10 pixels. Let me copy it and click on paste style. Sorry, after making the changes for this, right click it, copy it, and paste the style for this second element and paste style for this third element. Okay, we delete it, and here for this also fourth element also click on this paste style, so that styling will be changed for all these elements. Okay, and now for this make it as default, no need to change anything in this. And for testimonial section also, for this image carousel, select this image carousel and go to content option. Here make this image resolution as full, and slides to show should be 3, or else let me add 4 elements. Okay, and let me select this main container, go to advanced option, let's add padding as 20 pixels. Okay, click on publish. Now we have successfully optimized in tablet view. Okay, here you can see we have optimized in tablet view. Now let me select this mobile view option, scroll to top, let's customize it in mobile view, and here let me select this main container, go to this style option, and here you can see select the image resolution as full, and width we need to decrease the width to like this, like 360 pixels. Okay, and now select this heading element, go to style and decrease the size of this text element. Okay, let me decrease the size of this text element to 25 pixels, and here select this heading element, go to advanced option. Here I want to add margin as 250 pixels. Oh sorry, let's add margin as 100 pixels so that it will be visible like this. Okay, and after that this search builder will be visible. Okay, so I want to select this main container. I want to increase the size of this home. Let me increase the size of this home, and position should be center or else top center, top left, top right. Okay, let me add it to top right, and let me increase the width of this home to 600 pixels. Okay, now let me again select this heading element, and let me increase the margin size of this heading element to, let's add like 220 pixels. Okay, let me select this heading element, go to style option, let me align this to center. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Okay, and after making changes, click on this publish option, and now these elements will be like this only, no need to change anything. And here the heading element, let me select this heading element, and the alignment should be aligned to center. Okay, this is for free consultation. Let me select this main container, go to advanced option, let's add padding as 20 pixels. Okay, 20 pixels is enough. Here you can see it will be visible like this. And let me select this mini subcontainer also. Let's add padding as 20 pixels inside it. Okay, so it will be visible like this. Let me select this featured site title section, go to style option. Let me decrease the title of this site title to 16 pixels, and let's decrease this subtitle size also to like 10 pixels. Okay, and after that view these options as default. We no need to change anything in these options. Okay, and get your free home valuations, let's make it as default, no need to change anything. Why choose as services, real estate services, and these options also make it as default, no need to change anything. If you want to change any sizes, you can select these elements, go to style option and decrease the size by selecting this typography, and you can decrease their respective sizes or heading or description. Okay, and here let me copy this heading element. Okay, copy the heading element. We will paste the styling of this heading element. For this also, let me right click and paste style. Okay, those styling will be applied to this heading element. Okay, and for this we will make it as default, we no need to change anything for this section. Okay, and for this also heading element, let me click on paste style, so styling will be pasted. Okay, and here you can see let me select this studio property. In this, let me select this main container. Here we need to add margin on top. Let me add delink this margin, and let's add margin as like, let me add margin as 300 pixels. Okay, so here you can see it is studio will be available, studio property category and villa property category. These property categories will be visible like this. You can decrease the size of this text, go to style option, decrease the size of this text to like, let's add 20 pixels. Let me copy it and click on, let me select this, click on paste style. Let me select this apartment text, click on paste style. Okay, and let me copy this heading of this explore properties, copy it and click on paste style. Okay, these stylings will be pasted for this. And here let me select this image carousel, and slides to show should be like 3. So go to the style option, let's decrease the spacing between these elements to like 30 pixels. Okay, now here you can see we have successfully customized our website in tablet view. Okay, click on publish. Here you can see we have successfully optimized the website in tablet view also, tablet view and mobile view also. Okay, and next we will design remaining pages too. So the website looks in desktop view like this, and this is a tablet view. Okay, this is a tablet view, and this is a mobile view. Section by section you need to customize it. Here you can see you need to customize it in section by section. This is the second section, third section, fourth section, fifth section, sixth section, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, 10 sections. We are having total 11 sections. Okay, let me select this image carousel. Let me decrease the space. Okay, click on this publish option. And that's how we do mobile optimization for this real estate website. Okay, next I will show you how to create this header. Okay, here I'll show you how to create this header. Okay, now please do close this, and here you need to refresh this page. Now let's go to this website backend. Okay, go to website dashboard. Initially we are having this header element, so you can select different header templates. Go to this website dashboard, go to this themes option. Here you can see this is the headers option. Select this header style. You can select different styles. If I select this second style, click on save changes, view page and click on refresh. Here you can see this header will be visible over here. And if you want another template like this template, you can select this template and click on save changes, visit the website, click on refresh. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, so in the demo website we have I have selected this image like this template. Okay, so let me select this this template. Okay, Houzez. Let me select this template and click on save changes. And you can also like enable this sticky menu also. You can enable this sticky menu, sticky mobile menu also, and box layout should be in boxed. Okay, and click on save changes option. After making the changes, visit this website. Let's click on this, refresh this website. Here you can see it will be visible like this. And And now we need to change the color palettes of our website in theme options. Let's go to this here. You need to go to this styling option. First, let's go to this typography option. We will change the typography to Montserrat because we are using Montserrat for all entire website. Go to this theme options on the back end and select this typography option. Here for body, let's select Montserrat. Okay, select this Montserrat font family. And for navigation also, let me select font family as Montserrat. And for footer also, let me select font family as Montserrat. Here let me select Montserrat. And for top bar also, let me select font family as Montserrat. And for headings also, let me select font family as Montserrat. After making these changes, click on this save changes option. And after completing this typography option, let's add color palettes. Go to the styling option. And here for body, text color should be black. And wherever there is primary color, here I have used primary color as red and black color combination, red, black and orange. These are the color palettes I have used in my website. Let me go to these demo website theme options. Let me select this body color. Body text color should be black color, and body background color white color, and body background color should be in white color. And let me select primary color should be red color. Okay, and this primary hover color also should be, I will change to red color. Click on choose, and secondary color should be orange color. Let me select this secondary color. It should be like orange color. Okay, and secondary color hover also should be, I will align this to orange color. Okay, click on choose. After making these changes, click on save changes option. And for navigation bar, select this navigation bar. Background color should be white color. Here you can see background I have added black color, white color. Okay, white color. If you want to add red color, you can select the red color too. Like if you select red color, click on save changes. If I visit the website, click on refresh. Let me select this, click on merge all. Here let me select as white color only. Background color should be in white color. So here for background color, let me select white color. So here you can see it will have background white color. Here you can see if I add background color as red color, let me click on save changes. Let me visit the website. So the color will change to, let me click on purge all. So here you can see background color will change to black color. Okay, so I want to add white color only. Let me select white color, and menu tabs text color should be in black color. Okay, let me select black color, and whenever we hover on it, it should color should change to again this red color. Okay, and menu tabs hover color should be, it is also should be red color. After making these changes, click on save changes and visit the website, and let me click on purge all, or else you can refresh the website. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, and whenever we hover on it, I don't want this background color should be visible on the background for these pages. Okay, so let me, here you can see menu tabs background color on hover should be empty. Let me make it white color. Okay, click on choose. Okay, and here you can see this is the transparent options, menu options. When it is transparent, menu tabs text color should be white color, and color on hover it should be red color. Okay, let me select red color, and border bottom color should be empty. Click on save changes, and next select this submenu. Okay, and here also we need to change the color palettes. For submenu also, for submenu also background color should be white color, and menu tabs text color should be black color. Okay, whenever we hover on it, text color should change to red color, and background color should be white color whenever we hover on it. Okay, and border color also should be in white color only. Click on save changes. Okay, whenever we add any submenus, so those menus will be displayed like this. Okay, let me click on this, refresh the page. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, and here menu tabs text color background color should be like red color only. Let me select red color. Click on save changes. Sorry, let me choose the color. Let me change the color to red. Click on choose and click on save changes. Okay, let me visit the website. Let me clear the cache, or you can refresh the website. Let me refresh the website. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, if you don't want this background to be visible, we can change the background color to like a light gray color. Okay, let me add light gray color and click on choose. Click on save changes. Now let me visit the website. Click on purge all, clear the cache, refresh the page, and here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, whenever you hover on it, it will change to red color. Okay, and after that, let me select this create listing button. So here create listing button text color should be white color, and text color on hover also should be white color only, and button background color should be in let's keep it in red color. Okay, and button background color on hover it should be in black color. Okay, click on choose. Okay, and border we should make the border as white and decrease the transparency of this border. Click on choose. And also where there is I'm using like color palettes as red and orange, black and gray, light gray. These are my color palettes. You can use blue or purple as per your branding colors. Okay, and here when it is transparent, header, the button background color should be in red color. Let me align it to red color and click on choose. Okay, and button background color on hover, it should change to, the transparency should be more, and it should change to black color whenever it is, when we hover on it. Click on choose. Okay, and after making the hover, button border color should be always white color. Let me decrease the transparency of the border. I don't want to add any border. Click on choose and click on save changes. Okay, after making these changes, here also button background border color, let me make it as transparent. Decrease the transparency total, okay, to 0 and click on save changes. And let me visit the website. Click on refresh option. Here you can see the button color changes to red color. Okay, let me visit this website in incognito tab so we can see the full changes in the incognito tab. Here you can see whenever I hover on it, it will change to black color. Okay, now let's go to backend again. Now select this login and register option. So here login text color should be in black color, and whenever you hover on it, login text color should change to red color. Okay, and also when it is transparent, it should be in black color. Whenever you hover on it, it should change to red color. Okay, after making the changes, click on this save changes. And now let's select this mobile menu. Please do select this mobile menu, and please do select this mobile menu background color should be white color. Okay, and icon color should be in black color. Okay, off canvas background menu color should be white color only. Off canvas menu text color should be in black color only. And menu border, we will keep this as default and keep these options as default. After this, click on this save changes option and go to advanced search option, and in the advanced search option, make all these options as default. And for this background color, let me add red color. Where there is green color, I am adding my branding colors like red color. Okay, whenever you hover on it, it should change to black color. So again, regular color, it should be in red color. Okay, whenever we hover on it, it should change to black color. And here also advanced button text color, and here you can see advanced button background color should be text color should be in red color. So we make it this button text color should be in white color only, and button border color should be in red color. Okay, whenever you hover on it, advanced button text color should be in red color, and whenever we hover on it, it should change to black color. And here background color should be in white color, and whenever you hover on it, it should change to white color. Okay, background color also. Let's do one thing. Here you can see advanced button text color should be, initially it should be in black color, and background initially the text color should be in red color. Okay, whenever you hover on it, it should change to black color. And here you can see advanced button text color should be, initially should be in red color, and whenever you hover on it, it should change to white color. And here background color should be white color. Whenever you hover on it, background color should change to like red color. Okay, and for border color, we will make it as white, and here also for border color, make it as white. Okay, we don't change any border color. Okay, and where there is like this blue color, I am adding my branding color as red color. Okay, let me select my branding color as red color. After making these changes, click on this save changes option. Okay, and select this saved search button, and where there is like a green color, let me select this red color only for colors option. And here also background color hover option, also let me select red color. Border color also let me select red color. Border color and hover also let me select red color. Okay, after selecting all these options, click on save changes. And here also you can select this user account menu. As per now, we will customize these options later. Okay, right now we will design this header. Okay, after selecting this header, if I visit this website, here you can see this is a create listing button. If I click on this create listing button, it will be redirected to this page. If I select this profile option, here you can see our color palette has been changed for login and register option. Okay, and in the header, we need to add our logo. Here you can see in our website, we are having like a logo option over here. Okay, let's upload the logo. In order to upload the logo, go to backend, select these theme options. Under theme options, here you can see this logos option. Let me remove these logos. Click on remove, remove all the logos that are available over here. Houzez logo. I will upload my own logo over here. Okay, let me select this logo as, click on upload, go to upload files, select files. This is my website logo I have uploaded. Click on select option, and let me select logo for retina also. Let me select this logo only for all options. Let me for mobile logo also, let me select this my logo. Click on select, and for mobile logo also, for retina also, let me select this logo only. Click on select. Okay, for transparent header and logo, let me upload these logos. You upload all your branding logos for all these options. Okay, so I'm uploading all my branding logos. And here you can upload your fave icon. Click on upload. Let me select my website fave icon as this. Click on select. Okay, so after adding the fave icon, click on this save changes option. You can view the website and click on refresh, and let me click on PowerJol. Here you can see I have uploaded my logo. Okay, here you can see I want to remove these options, like under my property I want to add this, I want to remove this blog page, and I want to add it in sub pages like in other pages. Okay, go to the backend. Here in the initial only we have created this main menu. Okay, so I want to add blog page under this others pages only. Okay, and also these my property should be under all properties. Okay, click on, and these packages also should be under this submenu only. Click on save menu. Okay, now let me refresh this page. Here you can see my header will look like this. Okay, this is my logo, and you can visit the home page, about page, properties, realtor, agent and agencies, other pages. These are the other pages, and contact page. Okay, in other pages we are having like board, compare, properties, favorites, insights, invoices, membership info, saved searches and all. Okay, if you click on this my profile option, here you can see you can go to this dashboard option. Okay, this is my dashboard, and you can, if you click on this my profile option, you will be redirected to this my profile option. Okay, and that's how you create header. Okay, and next I will show you how to create footer. If you visit this website, here you can see, if I scroll down, this is a footer. So we need to create footer also. And if you go to this themes option in the backend, and here under here you can see, you can select this footer option, and here you can select the layout, like how many columns you need in this layout. Okay, you can select this layout or this layout or this layout as per your requirements. Okay, as per now I'm selecting this last layout. You can select different versions that are available. Okay, and here let me upload my logo. Okay, let's upload my logo, and you can also enable this footer social media section, and you can add your Facebook link over here, profile links. Let me add your Twitter profile links, LinkedIn profile links, okay, Instagram, and if you're having YouTube profile links, you can add those profile links over here in the footer section. Click on save changes after making these changes. Okay, click on save changes. Here let me visit this website and click on refresh. Here you can see after selecting this layout, we need to customize the footer. So in order to add footer, design footer section, first let me visit this demo website. Here you can see discover option is there, contact option is there, and I want to add few more sections over here. I will show you how to add those sections. So first let's go to this appearance option, and now we need to create footer menu also. Click on this menus option and click on this create menu option, and I want to create footer menu, and here type footer menu 1. After making the footer menu 1, click on create menu, and here click on view all option. Under the footer menu I want to add these options like home page, about page, blog page, and contact page, and create listing page. Okay, after selecting these options, click on add to menu. So these options will be visible in footer menu. Click on save menu. Okay, and let me create another footer menu. Click on create menu, and let's add footer menu. Let's add footer menu 2 and click on create menu. Under footer menu 2, I want to add these options like agent option, agencies option, all properties, and you can select this my account and my profile. Okay, user dashboard, click on add to menu. So all these options will be visible. You can add like my profile, my account. You can add footer menu as per your requirements. Okay, user dashboard. Okay, after adding these menu items, here I want to remove this option like all properties option. Click on expand this and click on remove. I want to add this only 5 pages. Click on save menu. Okay, so after adding the footer menus, now we need to create footer menu for our this website. So let's go to this widget section, close this, and under here you can see under this footer area 1, expand this, click on add footer, and first let me add, here you can see I want to add these contact details. So let me select contact. Here you can see Houzez contact us. Please do select this Houzez contact us, and here you can add title as contact us, and title should be contact us, and let me select this address, copy this address, let me add address in address details, and let me add this phone number in phone number details. Let me select this phone number. Okay, and you can add email ID, fax also as per your requirements. Let me select email ID, and let's add email ID over here. Let's add email ID in the email ID section. Okay, so this is the footer area 1. After adding this footer area, let me click on this update option, and let me visit the page, and let me click on this refresh option. Here you can see footer area 1 has been added. You can also add phone number. Let me decrease this, and let me expand this footer area 2. And here click on this plus option and type navigation menu. Let me type nav. Here you can see this is a navigation menu. Click on this navigation menu, and here add title as quick links, and here you need to select this footer menu 1. Click on update. After updating, let's visit the website and click on refresh. Click on purge all. Let's clear the cache. Here you can see quick links has been added. Okay, and after that, let's select this footer area 3 and select this. Click on this plus option, and here select again navigation menu and add title as my pages. Select this footer menu 2. Click on update. Visit the website and click on purge all. So here you can see we have added these 3 sections in the footer menu. Okay, and here you can see we have successfully created the footer menu. Okay, and if I visit the home page, if I scroll down, here you can see this is the footer menu. And let me go to this theme option, and here under theme option, please do select this footer option, footer menu, and here you can select these versions, different versions. You can select version 2. If I select version 2, click on save changes, visit the website and click on refresh. Here you can see version 2 will be visible like this. Okay. If I select this layout to only 3 columns option, like this 4 columns, click on save changes, and if I visit the website, let me refresh the page. See here it will be aligned in 4 columns format. You can select different columns format as per your requirement. Let me select this last option, and you can also change the versions also. Let me select this version 3, click on save changes, go to this option, click on refresh. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Social icons also visible. Okay. If you want to change the color palettes of this, go to this styling option. Under the styling, you need to select this footer option, and here you can see you can select footer background as white color and text color as black color, and footer border background color as you can select like red color too, and here link over text color should be in red color. Click on choose. Okay, let me click on save changes, and let me go to this website and let me refresh the website. Let me click on this purge all. Let me scroll down. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, whenever you hover on it, select this text, it will be changed to red color whenever we hover on this link text. Okay, you can also customize these colors, social profile links as per your requirement. Here under footer section, I want to change the background color to white color only. Click on save changes, and you can visit the website, and here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, so if you want to change the layout under the footer section, you can select this footer section, and you can change the version also. Let me select the version 1 only. Click on save changes, and let me clear the cache. So here you can see this is a version 1 of footer. Okay, so that's how you can create header and footer. Now I will show you how to create these remaining pages like about page and this contact page. Okay, so if you download my resources, here you will find these templates. Okay, page template, this about page and the contact page. You need to use these templates. So go to this backend, click on this Elementor option, and here under editor option, you need to select this templates option. Okay, under these templates, you need to add these two templates. Click on import template, click on choose file. Please do select this about page template and click on import now. Click on continue, enable and import. At least wait 2 minutes so that this template will be imported. Please do import this contact page template also. Click on import template and choose the file and select this contact page. Click on open, import now, continue. So now both templates have been imported, contact page and the about page. Okay, now let's go to this website. Click on this about page and click on edit page. Here we need to select the template as Elementor full width and also header type as Elementor, and menu is transparent. Yes, click on save changes. After making these changes, click on this edit with Elementor. You need to select this edit with Elementor, and you can directly import the about page template. We no need to design from scratch, or else you can visit my website. You can design this about page as per your requirements. You can add your about your vision about this website. You can add your vision about your business, and you can add your team section. Okay, you can add your services, what services you are providing, like properties. Okay, different types of properties. You can add testimonial section in this about page section. Okay, visit this page, and we need to import the templates. Click on this file option and go to this templates option, and this is the about page template. You need to click on this insert now. So here you can see about page template has been inserted. Okay, this is the about page template. Let me select this section 1. Go to advanced option, delink this margin, add margin as like 100 pixels. Okay, and here select this section 1 and go to style option and add background color as white color, or else you can add select this overlay, select the overlay color as white color. Okay, you can increase the opacity. Click on publish option, click on preview changes. Here you can see before adding this, let's go back, select the click on edit page option. Here you need to main menu, it should be no. Okay, and click on save changes, go back and click on edit with Elementor option again, and here you can see it will be visible like this. Let me click on preview changes. This is the about page. Okay, you can add your team section, and you can add your like services and your testimonial section over here as per your requirement. Okay, and now let's design contact page. Let me select this contact page, click on edit page, and here you need to select the template as and here you need to select the template as Elementor full canvas width, and here you need to select the header type as Elementor and main menu as no. Click on save changes, and now you need to select edit with Elementor option, and we will import the contact page template into this contact page. Click on this file option, go to this template section. Okay, and this is a contact page template. Click on insert now, and here you can see this contact page template has been imported successfully. Click on publish. If you want to preview the changes, click on this preview changes, and here you can see we have successfully imported the contact page also. Okay, now we have successfully created entire page like home page, about page, all properties. In all properties section, what are the properties we have uploaded, those will be visible over here. If you want to view your properties, you can click on this view properties option. You can check your properties. Okay, and this is the agent profile, and what are the, so if any agents registered in your website, you can check the agent list in this agent pages. Okay, if any agencies have created their profile, you can check the agency's details from this agency's page. And this is others page. This is a contact page. If you want to create new listing, click on this create listing option. You can start creating listing from your dashboard. And this is others pages. If you click on this board option, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Okay, and this is the compare properties option. You can compare the properties. This is the favorite properties. If you have selected any favorite properties, so those will be displayed over here. This is insights, invoices, membership info, saved searches, blog page and packages. Okay, you can, if you click on this packages option, these packages page will be visible. Okay, if you want to go to this dashboard option, click on this my account icon, go to this dashboard. Here you can check all the properties that have published in your website: total properties, published properties, pending properties, expired, leads, total inquiries, deals. You can click on this activities option. You can check the activities. You can check these insights, last 7 days insights. You can check the deals. You can check the leads option. You can check the inquiries. If you click on this properties option, the properties that have uploaded in your website, you can check all the properties. This is the favorite properties option, and saved searches, invoices. Okay, and you can check your my profile account. Okay, these are the invoices that have paid by the agents to feature their listings. Okay, select this dashboard option. Now let's click on this visit site option. Okay, now we have successfully created the website, and few more options we need to customize. Now we have successfully created all the pages, and one more thing we have to do. Let's go to this website backend, and we need to do some theme option settings. Select this theme option settings here under general settings. Make these all options as default. You don't need to change anything. Make all these options as default. You can enable breadcrumb, phone number or mobile number, and can enable all these options as per default. Okay, now let me select this translation option, and we don't require these options. So let me select these logos and fav icon. We have already uploaded our own logos and fav icons. Okay, and let me select this dashboard logo, and here you can upload this logo. Whatever you see in the dashboard, here you can see this is our website dashboard. If I click on visit website, okay, and if I click on this dashboard option, here you can see this is a logo. We need to change the dashboard logo. Click on remove logo, click on upload logo. We will upload our own website logo. Click on upload logo. Let me select our own logo. Click on select. Okay, click on save changes. So if I visit this website, if I click on this refresh option, let me PowerJol, click on PowerJol. We have to refresh the cache here. Later, here you can see the logo has been replaced. So in the demo website, here you can see I have added this logo. Okay, you can change the logo as per your requirement. And now let's go to this header styling. And here you can see we have already customized this header. And if you want to enable social accounts, you can enable the social accounts also in the header menu. So if you enable social accounts will be visible. So I don't want social accounts on the header menu. Create listing button, you need to enable this create listing button so that it will be visible over here. Create listing option. Okay, click on save changes and select this top bar option. So we don't require this top bar because we have selected this template. So we don't need this top bar. Select this currency switcher and skip this top bar option, splash page. We don't require this page also. And this login and register, we have already customized this login and register. Select this price and currency. We have already changed the price and currency option. We have replaced our currency symbol. And this is the typography. We have already changed the typography previously. And this is the styling option. You can also change the stylings of each option. Click on this advanced search option. Here you can see I have changed the styling as per my color palettes. You can select this saved searcher option and you can change the color palettes for user account menu. So this is a user account menu. You can change the color palettes for this user account menu also. Menu tabs text color should be in black color initially. Whenever you hover on it, it should change to red color. Okay, let me select red color, and background color should be transparent, like white color only. I don't want to change any color. Click on save changes and let me visit this website, refresh the page, and here you can see the tabs text color will change whenever I hover on it. Okay, and here I have to add white color. Click on choose, click on save changes. Okay, so that whenever you hover on it, click on, let me refresh the page again. Let me click on this profile option. Here you can see only the text color will be changed. Okay, and now let me select this dashboard menu. This is the dashboard menu. This is the dashboard menu that you want to display. If you want to change the background color to white color, you can select white color, click on save changes. So here you can see, let me refresh the page. So here everything will be changed to white color, and menu tabs text color should be in black color. Click on save changes, and whenever you hover on it, it should change to red red color. Text color should change to red color. Let me click on save changes. Let me visit the user dashboard. Let me refresh the page. Let me clear the cache. Let me refresh this page. Here you can see it will be visible like this. Okay, and menu tabs text color should be white color whenever you hover on it. Okay, and background color will be red color. And here menu tabs border color on active, it should be in like black color. Menu titles color should be in we should be in red color. Okay, so let me click on save changes. Let me clear the cache. Let me visit this website. Click on refresh. Here you can see titles will be in red color and this will be in black color. Okay, and here logo background color should be in white color only and logo border color should be in black color. Click on save changes. Let me clear the cache. Go to this user dashboard. Let me click on refresh. Here you can see logo will be appear like this. Okay, and next to property details, let me select this property details. Here you can see property details module background color. So here you can see this is my property. These are the property details. So I don't want to change anything in this. Property details background color should be in black color. Click on save changes. Next, this is a future label. Let's select this future label. And here you can see these are the future label here. Whenever I visit the website, here you can see this is a future label. It is in green color. So I want to change to my branding color to red color. Let me click on save changes. Let me clear the cache. And here you can see future label will change to red color. Okay, if you want green color, you can add green color also as per your requirement. No need to change. Okay, let me add green color only. Click on save changes. And next to top bar. So here I didn't enable the top bar, so I don't want to change the color palette for this. Agent and agencies details. So agent and agent details, make it as default. No need to change. And for the widgets, no need to change anything. And for the footer, we have already changed. Okay, now let's select this property details. Here you can see how the property should look. Okay, here you can see select the layout, and this is the property details. I have selected this option, so it is visible like this. If I change to this, click on save changes, and if I visit any property like my property, select one property. Okay, here you can see, let me clear the cache. So here you can see the image will be visible like this. You can select any of the options that you require. Okay, and after making the changes, you can click on save changes. If you want like 360-degree virtual tour also, you can enable them. If you want to enable video also, you can enable this video in the media tabs manager. Okay, in this section. Okay, so I don't want to add this 360-degree virtual tour and the video. Okay, I want to add only image gallery, map view, street view. Here you can see. So next, let me select this layout manager, and in this layout manager, you can customize all the options like overview, description, address, details, features. Here you can see these are the options. Like this is a gallery, overview, description, address, next to details, next to additional details, features, floor plans. Here you can customize how they should be arranged. Okay, you can select nearby places. You can add a section gallery. You can drag and drop it over here. You can add schedule tour option below this floor plan. Okay, you can add availability calendar. You can add energy class, multi-listing, sub-listings also you can add. Okay, you can enable them by dragging and dropping over here. Okay, after making the changes, click on the save changes, and if you go to this website, click on refresh. Let me clear the cache. So here you can see I have added the gallery again. This is a gallery, again this is another gallery. So here you can see section gallery I have added over here under overview. Okay, section gallery, schedule a tour option. Okay, mortgage calculator, all these options we can enable them. And let's select this layout manager tabs, and this is a layout manager tabs, and you can change all these options as per your requirement. Layout manager, luxury homes, it depends on the property details. Here you can see it depends on the templates that you have selected. You can customize as per your requirement. And this is a gallery pop-up option and overview section. Okay, this is the overview section. What options you should display, like property type, like bedrooms. Okay, bathrooms, garage. If you want to add like rooms also, you can add them. And this is energy class, show or hide data, what data you want to show and what data you want to hide. AdSense spaces, we don't require this AdSense. Walk score and nearby places, and this is a schedule a tour option. You can customize it, and I can say we don't require all these options. If you require all these options, you can enable them as per your requirements. Okay, and this is add a new property layout. This is a search option. If you want to enable the search option in the header, you can enable this option. So this search option will be visible like this. Okay, on the header, in the header only. Okay, as per now I don't want to enable this advanced search option. Okay, and this is a search results page, how you want to display the search results, like a normal page or off map as per your requirement. Okay, and if you select this search results page, if you enable this option like off map option, here you can see under properties, this is with off map option. you can search these results, and you can add like search page. You can search the properties by selecting this map. Like you can zoom in this map and you can select this area. According to this area, these properties will be visible over here. Okay, so make it as off map option, click on save changes, and this is the map settings, and we don't require this option. And listing option, make these options as default. You don't need to change anything. Contact forms and agent profiles. Okay, and if you select this agent details, in the agents page, if we visit this agents page, here you can see so how the agents page should view. You can select any of these options, like this template or this template or this template as per your requirement. And this is the agency template. You can select any of these templates. Okay, and this is the social media profiles. Make this as default. No need to change anything. And this is the insights option, and you can enable this insights option. Make it as default. No need to change anything. And that's it. These are the details you need to change in these theme options, and make everything and make all remaining options as default. You don't need to change anything. Okay, that's it. So congratulations, we have successfully created a fully functional real estate website using WordPress and Houzez theme. In this tutorial, we have learned how to build a professional real estate platform from scratch, including, here you can see, designing a modern home page section by section using Elementor page builder elements and all, by creating property listing, creating this powerful property search system, setting up the single property page, adding different agents, agencies, property features and amenities, and creating a complete real estate marketplace website. And now your website is ready to list properties, generate leads, and connect buyers, sellers, and real estate agents all in one platform. You can use this website for your own real estate business, or even offer a real estate website design services to clients as a freelancer or web designer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on WordPress web designing tutorials.
Before going into a video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.